I don't mind. Please take this cup of palm wine. Go and show us that man that you want to spend the whole of your life that way. Come.
Try. Handsome boy.
What's it? What happened?
I had a bad dream.
Dream?
Yes.
What was it all about?
So, we were having our wedding ceremony and then Mercy just walked in and ruined everything.
Hey, it's just a dream. Okay?
I know.
Relax. Come on, let's go back to sleep. Alright?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
What is that?
Hi, Tasha.
Hello, I'm fine. Who, please?
Oh, come off it. Don't tell me you don't recognize my voice. It's me, Mercy.
Sister Mercy.
Yes, my dear. As a matter of fact, I arrived this morning and I am on my way to the village.
You what? You're in Nigeria?
I cannot wait to see you, my sister. I miss you so much.
Of course, I miss you too. I can't wait.
So we have a hello? Hello?
Mercy.
Yeah.
Mercy just called.
Okay?
Yes. Mercy just called.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
She's in Nigeria now.
What?
Yes. Mercy's back. I'm scared.
How come?
I'm worried. I don't know what to do. Mercy is back.
Hey. It's okay. It's alright. Yeah, fine. Cool. Yeah. Listen. Just calm down, okay? Wait. Let me think.
Mercy's back.
It's alright. Listen. It's okay. We'll figure something out, okay? Yeah. Yeah, she's back. I'm so.
Oh my God. She's calling back.
That's the number?
Yes. She's calling again.
Don't speak.
Are you sure?
Let's think, yeah. Listen.
Think fast.
Oh my
goodness.
Listen.
I have filled her.
Before she finds out where we stay, we must have, think of what to do. Just relax, okay?
I have filled her.
You haven't filled
Mercy.
Hey! Stop it. Put yourself together. All right?
Hello? She's still thinking. Okay, let me just get to the village. I'm sure she'll be there. Driver, please, can you hasten up? I can't wait to see my family.
You're in charge. Be in charge, okay?
She's calling me.
It's okay. Comport yourself. Okay? Pick the call. Talk normal. Alright? Pick it and talk normal. Yeah, yes. Remember, talk normal.
Okay. Oh, hello? Hello? Hello, sister? Sister? Oh my God.
Hey, it's alright. Hey. Be in control.
Hey.
Alright?
Mercy's back.
Calm down. We are together, okay? It's alright. We'll figure something out, alright?
Okay.
Relax, we'll figure something out. Don't worry. Relax.
Tasha! Nkiru! Auntie Mercy! Oh my God! Yes, that's you. The little Nkiru that I left. Auntie Mercy, where have you been? I can't believe this. Where the hell is my sister Tasha? I've been heated the hell out of this gate. My hand hot.
Just come in first.
Auntie Nkiru! Wow! Is she inside?
Just come in first. After she got married, I'm the one taking care of this place.
My own sister got married. I don't understand. That's not possible. What are you talking about?
You're not aware?
I'm not aware. I never heard it.
How can you say you're not aware? Your younger sister got married and you're not aware. Are you serious?
I'm not aware. To who?
So Emeka, that's her boyfriend.
Emeka?
Yes.
Emeka? Okay. Fine. Please, where do I see my sister Tasha? Because obviously there is no new building here. I can't see any cars. Where has she been investing the money I've been sending to her? I need to see her. She has a lot of explanations to do to me. Or is there another place that the project is being going on?
Auntie Mercy, what are you talking about?
I'm talking about the money I've been sending down to my sister. Where do I see Tasha? Please, I beg you.
I don't really know where they live in the city. Let me take you to Mama Emeka's place. Probably she will tell you where they live in the city.
After everything I told this girl. Emeka.
Mama!
Are you sure there's someone at home? Good afternoon, Mama.
Afternoon.
Mama, I'm sure you don't remember my face.
I'm trying to remember.
My name is Mercy, Tasha's elder sister.
Hey! Mercy! Is this you? Hey! Mama! Shimo! No, they go kwa. Yes, Mama. They go Chalo. So you put the two together. Hey! You're so beautiful and you're looking,
Thank you, Mama.
I didn't even see you at the wedding.
I'm so sorry about that, Mama. That was because I was not in the country. I just returned from Canada.
Hey! Okwa obodo oyibo ka o si nata o.
Yes, Mama.
Ịbatasi afọ. Okwa onye obodo oyibo bịa be amakwa m na iwetelu m ife ndị Canada.
Oh, trust me.
Hey, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, please, I'm sorry to cut your joy short. I'm having a situation at hand. My younger sister, Tasha, I was told that she's married to your son, Emeka. I've not been able to reach her since I'm told I've not seen her. Can I be able to get the address or something to be able to know where she is? I'm so sorry.
You have not been able to reach your only sister.
Yes.
You call her, she does not pick.
Yes. Actually, it's a long story. It's not something I can start explaining here.
Anyway, you know they are now married.
Yes, that's what
and they live in the city. Unfortunately, I don't even know where they live. But my son Emeka assured me that when it is time for Mogo, that he will come and carry me and I will go to their house in the city and enjoy with them.
Wow. Mama, I mean, the address, like, can you be able to help me reach Emeka, get the address, probably tell him anything?
Thinking about my address.
Oh, okay.
Hey,
I just heard that now.
Shalom, wait, let me get seat so that we can sit down and talk.
Yes.
No, we're going on the quarter.
Yes.
Let me get a seat.
Thank you.
And gist.
Yes.
You're in Canada. Okay, we're telling me.
I am
coming. I'm coming.
Okay.
Honestly, babe, I feel for you. After all your years in Canada, that child is not even making things easy for us at all. What is this now?
Babe, seriously, I am tired. At this point, I am tired. I don't know what to do anymore. I don't even know what is going on. I've even gone to Mommy Meka's place to know if I can get the address to where they stay in the city. But she claims not to know anything about the address.
Oh, she says she doesn't know.
That's what she told me.
Honestly, this is not nice. This is not nice at all. What do you intend to do now?
I don't know. I don't know. At this point, I think I have to get the Omona involved. Seriously.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Maybe that's where she will be able to come down to the village. See, she's not picking my calls.
That's a good one. That's a good one. That's what you should do. Just go ahead. Do you want more?
I don't even want to stick.
Drink now.
I don't
Relax.
have appetite for
I
anything.
understand. Drink water. It will help you. Yeah.
Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Maybe.
Yes, love.
Maybe remember the hair I told you that I wanted for my forthcoming birthday? This hair, this.
Looks nice.
Maybe please. I remember I told you I needed this hair to rock on my birthday.
How much is it again?
1.2.
Huh? Baby, come on now. 1.2 million naira. I'm not saying it's too much because you like wearing quality hairs, but at this point in time, we need to save money. Yes, especially now your sister Mercy is around, okay? Go for something lower that has quality, okay? Who is that?
Mercy.
Talk of the devil. Oh wait, are you sure?
Mercy.
Are you sure she's not aware of our house address?
How is that possible? I mean...
Babe, think. People in the village might have told her.
Nobody in the village knows where we stay.
Are you sure? I suggest you block her number.
Right.
Yes, this is 21st century. She might track us or something. Just block it.
Won't it look suspicious if I block her? Oh my goodness. Mercy.
She's even putting it this way. She's not picking. Let me call her again.
Let's go.
This is what I have been going through. She has refused to pick my calls.
Ever since she got married to Emeka, she has never visited home. And that left her to ask if Emeka tied her down in the city.
But Emeka visits her mother often.
Once again, you are welcome. You see, whatever happens, there is always another side to a coin. That means we always have an option. I suggest that you go to the city where they live. Find out why she's not been picking your calls, why she has not been coming home. I mean, this whole thing is becoming so strange.
Trust me, Nai. I don't even know where they stay in the city. I don't.
Emeka's mother should be aware. But
yeah, you're right. She should know.
I have gone there to ask her. And she insists on knowing nothing.
Asyocha! She's aware. She knows the truth. She's aware. But she does not want to tell you the truth. Don't worry yourself. We will go there to find out things for herself. And then, let us see herself, we're wasting time. We will go there and get the address where they are living in the city. Simple.
Nai, I will be please, help me out. I will appreciate anything. Nai, Biko, I suffered to make this money. Please. I beg you, I'm on my knees.
No, please, everything will be fine. Just relax. So how was your trip? How did it go? How did it go?
Now it went well, not until Locke and Grace decided to run out of me.
Okay.
Tell us what exactly happened.
Uncle, is quite a long story.
Hello? Amy? How are you? And how is your wife, Tasha? I think so. Is your wife's sister of mess?
What's about her?
She has been looking for you people since she came back.
Mama, thank God you called. Please, Biko, don't tell her where I stay in the city. Don't give her our house address. Don't worry, later I will explain everything to you. Okay, but for now, don't give her my house address, Biko. Yes, there is a reason for that.
Of course I know. My head is correct now. I'm not a child. I won't give anybody. I don't even have your address. So I can't give anybody what I don't have. All I want is for you people to stay safe out there.
Mama, don't you think it is high time you packed your things and leave the village?
Leave the village, kwa? Mbano, for what? Because of small mercy. Mbano na. No pekano. Why will I run away from my house because of her? No. Don't worry, I can handle her. I will not run away for anybody. Yes, Mbono Motarmonwa will come for Mugo. Imazo onye negibu. Alụsị agba ọtọ efe. Nwere ife na-eme. Okay, please, you people stay safe. Oh? Ngwanu, bye.
People we trust can one day change. Imana people you trust can change one day.
My dear, I don't even know what to do anymore. At this point, I am confused.
Honestly, this is surprising. I thought these things only happen in movies. Why would Tasha do a thing like that? And now she's not taking your calls. Look, we need to do something about this.
What else do you want me to do? Because at this point, I am tired. I've done eventually everything. And yet, it's not working. In fact, I am clueless. Don't worry. I have a plan.
Hey, Mazi.
Good.
Hey, what you doing, Mama? Hey.
All is well. Mercy came complaining. Yesterday, we held a meeting in the Congo's house. I mean, your in-law, with his first daughter, who came back from overseas.
Hey, Mercy. She was here the other day, making inquiries. Hey, how is she?
Oh, she's fine. She came complaining that her only sister, that both of them grew up together, that she's not able to see her since she came back from overseas, and that she's not even aware that your son got married to her sister.
Yay! I know she has been abroad for some time. But why won't her sister tell her that she was getting married? And why is she not taking her calls? Now, you Fuma. There is something wrong somewhere. You only out on your cometa. Well,
I thank God that both of us are reasoning together. We are towing the same line. I am of the view that you give me your son's address in the city so that we can go there, pay a visit, and know if they are living together. And even if they are fine, let us confirm.
Hey, Mazi. Like I told Mercy when she came, I don't know their address or where they live. The only thing is that my son gave me his word that immediately it is time for Omogo, that he will come and take me and I will stay with them to do the Omogo. And that is when the time for Omogo comes. So, you got to go?
Okay, that's no problem. What about his number? Can I have it as well?
Number?
Some number.
Hey, Emeka, where phone number? Emeka, Bogi Tata, we call 199. Actually, no, 211 588 766. Amaramun cable number. I will have to ask him for permission. To or even better still, let me wait, let him call. So that I will know the one that is his main number. So I can give you people.
Oh, look at the stage that before I can get my son, our son number, you must get permission from him. Or look at that stage.
Hey,
has he got into that stage?
My point of correction. He is my son, not our son. Makisorom buafimie. Emarokudu can see buafimie. Kedidi for what is it? What do you people want itself? Una abia kwazo? Organic? If you cannot wait for me to get his number, so what wrong? Go to the city, look for him. Or better still, look for his number. Kaifa. Nah, because I'm very, very busy. Behavior. Epo forget mama. Epo mechelu mi ofuma. Makana ma choro ko mo ko ma po ilu.
Imana people you trust can change one day. This life is a lesson. Life is a lesson. Sometimes life is easy. Sometimes life is hard. People you trust can one day change. People you give all your hope can one day disappoint you.
Who is here? Mama? Mama isn't Noma.
Hey! Mama. How are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
Morning. How is your mother?
She's fine. Mama, how are you doing?
I'm okay. Okay. I hope all is well.
Mama, all is well. I just came to help you do one or two. You know I didn't come last week because I was helping my mother make her hair.
You know, I know you will always come around. Hey. See, if my son is not married, I would have insisted he marry you. Because you're a very good girl. And you have a good heart, just like your mother.
Thank you, Mama.
And that's why I'm still friends with your mother till tomorrow.
I know. Please, can I go in now?
Okay, just go in. Look at her, a very good girl, well brought up. Hey!
But I don't know how they feel when they hurt someone who truly care about them and sacrifice all for them. Oh, I don't know how they feel. People we trust.
No, Mama, I'm done cleaning. I even washed the dirty clothes I saw. Mama, I don't want to see. Mama, I don't want to see. Yes, Mama.
You want to eat my money?
No, thank you. Mama, the phone was ringing.
Hey!
It has been ringing since.
Hey, whoa, do you know I forgot to charge this phone?
I noticed so when I checked. You have just 1%.
It's already off.
Is it?
There's nothing inside it again.
Is it off already?
It's off.
Ah. Mama, don't worry. I'll take this phone to my house and charge it. We are going to turn on our gen later, so I'll just charge it and bring it. Maybe bring it in the night for you. Yes.
Okay. You know we don't trust NEPA. So even if you bring it in the night, you know they normally bring light in the night. Maybe I'll be sleeping by the time they'll bring light. So leave it, bring it in the morning.
It's better, so I can charge it to 100% before bringing it.
Oh, charge it for me. Okay. The phone. Oh, hello, how are you? Hey, Nemo.
Okay, Mama, let me be on my way.
It's the man, okay, greet your mother for me.
Okay, Mama.
Tell her that I said thank you for allowing you to come and help me. Oh, Mama. Nama. You say you not eat this mama. This mama is very sweet. Oh.
Thank you, Mama.
Okay, bring it tomorrow. Okay.
Change is constant. Be careful how you trust someone. Change is constant in life. Don't be surprised when someone you trust change. But I don't know how they feel when they hurt someone who truly care about them and sacrifice all for them. Oh, I don't know how they feel. But I don't know how they feel.
Baby, start coming to my house now. Come fast, please.
And sacrifice all for them.
Are you sure this is going to work?
Babe, you need to calm down. It will. Don't you trust me again?
I trust you. But what if she doesn't pick as usual?
Relax. You need answers. And we need to do this thing fast, okay? I don't want you to come back to this village and suffer again. Just calm down, okay? Trust me. Don't worry about picking. She will. This is a new phone and a different line. She doesn't have this line. She's going to pick. Oh, wait. Now you're making me make mistakes.
Sorry. Thank you so much, my friend. What would I have done without you? Thank you. God bless you.
Don't worry. It's fine. I need to do this. I need to quickly make this call. You know we need to return Mama's phone, right?
Mama! 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 Mama, where are you? Mama! 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 Eh?
What happened? Why are you screaming like this? Eh?
You're alive.
Hey, can't keep while you are alive. I'm alive now. I will not die, you to fear. I will not die.
Eh? The person called me that.
Tell us that you...
Back to sender, oh! Back to sender! Back to sender!
You see?
Cannot be me.
Hey!
Sister! Sister!
Oh, Guinea!
Sister, you're welcome. I didn't know you're back.
This is who you are, Tasha. This is really you. Your blood sister came back, and I have been calling you. You refused picking up my calls. Just the news that your supposed mother-in-law is dead, and boom, here you are with this vagabond of a man that calls himself your husband. I see you finally ended up with this hell of a man. Congratulations.
Mercy. Listen, Ogini, what is the problem? Can you hear me now?
The land documents, the project money, everything, the cars that I left in your car, I need them now.
Sister.
I know we all are aware why we gather here. And I beg all of us to maintain peace so that we can find out why and what caused the problem between these two sisters. Nne, why have you been dodging your sister since she came back from overseas? Please, tell us.
My elders, I greet you people once again. You know it's been long we all saw. I can't even remember the last time I saw you people. The time she was calling, I was passing through pain. I went to remove my teeth, my inner teeth. If you can come closer, you will see it. It's called molar, the inside one. It has been paining me. I've been going through this pain and my husband said, no, please, honey, you cannot be going through this pain. Come, let me take you to the hospital. He suggested they remove it. So, on the process, when the doctor was operating, if you look now, you see that my inside teeth, there is hole. When the doctor was operating on it, my sister's call was coming in. Explain to them the pain. I couldn't take the call. So that explains why I wasn't able to, pick my sister's call. I was removing my teeth in the hospital.
Hey! Liar! Blatant liar, that's what you are. Oh, now you're no longer in pain. But you ran to your heels down to the village immediately you heard your mother-in-law was there. Oh, that's why they came back. Yes, uncle, that's what brought them back. Why? I had to plan it with Nama, my friend. Since I found out they have refused coming down to the village or pick up my calls. What? And boom! The stunt worked. Look at them.
Wait. Was that the only plan you could come up with? What if something had happened to us?
And he just picked.
You are so inconsiderate.
Who is that barbaric animal? Look at you! Someone who should be deported all the way from Jakarta for carrying drugs. People like you are being jailed in the Zimbabwe. Look at you, a fool. A bastard, a bon crignon. You that is supposed to be sculptured and kept in the theater as art. Looked at once in 12 years because of how ugly you are. Who the hell did you do? Oh, I understand that. Because you're now wearing some chain, like some hungry dog, a cookie now. No, you've arrived. You're not wearing an earring as big as your generational problem. You're even hanging your leg, hanky-panky. It's my sister that kept her useless vagina for you in the first place. Because people like you do not even deserve a wet water. Mercy, Ogini. Idiot. Mercy, Ogini, what is it? Wait, is it my son's fault that your sister got married before you? Or is it his fault that you came back from Obodo Ibo empty-handed? Ogini, I got what frugi? Ochaka Omaka? Ifrokodi. I know you. And I know what you can do. You hate my son. Since he started dating your sister, you have shown that you hate him. They are happily married. If you don't like it, go and hug Transformer.
Yeah, God. If you don't have anything reasonable to say,
Gini eweme. Maka gini?
Maka
Ka ngwa gị ihe ọbụla ị nwara ogbuo gị. Ime nke anụ ogbuo gị. Chalụ ka ngwa gị ma asị ka asị na ịbụ gịnị. Ọcha ka ọmaka akwụ na. Ije nụkpacha akwụ n'obodo oyibo nwere ihe ị gbatara. Ibi itikpu n'isi nwa m. Nsogbu adịrọ. Ọkwa gị na Nneoma. I know how to handle Nneoma and I will personally handle her. But please, on your life, don't you ever shout on my son. Nalada abagi. Esibege ejebonye. Ifrokodi. Ozunra wumbara na ekwa akwya. Okay.
Stop that rubbish, please. Listen. We are here to make peace. Like I said, we have to get to the root of this matter. That's why we're here. If you don't want peace, I'll show you the way. Please, don't stop this process. Tasha, where is all the money your sister has been sending to you? All the items, all the properties. Where are they?
My elders, I greet you people once again. I know I've greeted before, but you people are welcome. My elders, the truth is that I was truly in the hospital. I am not lying. And truly, my sister was trying to reach out, but I was in the hospital. Ichie, you said something about peace. I like the sound of that. So, let me now say the truth. The money my sister sent to me, which I wanted to go deposit in the bank, right?
Yes.
I got attacked. On my way to the bank, they attacked me. And robbers, hefty men, they attacked me and they took the money. And they almost killed me. If not for the help of my husband.
Oh my goodness.
I would have been dead.
You were trying to deposit it. Oh. No, Mercy, calm down. You mean to tell me that the money I sent all the way from Canada, Greenwings, came out of your dumb account, your account that I sent money to you, and then they attacked you? Not first, not second, not even 10th, not even the 15th or 20th time that I've been sending money to you. Where is the money? Where are the cars? Where is the project? Where is...
Easy. Smoke. Buto. Easy. My heart.
Thank you.
Bring water.
My heart is broken. Oh, you wanna to know? My heart is broken. My world is falling apart. Pain and sorrow are taking over me.
Tasha, why? What have I done to you? What wrong have I done? Tell me.
I'm sorry.
You are sorry? Sorry for what exactly? Sorry for squandering my money. Or doing what exactly? Tasha, please, I beg you in the name of God, can you tell me where my money is? I remember sending you money for cars, the buildings, the projects. Where is the money?
It's the devil's work.
Wow. It's the devil's work. The devil asked you to squander the money that I suffered so much to make. What happened to the money? Because I know what you were saying out there. It was totally gibberish. It was nonsense. Tasha, where is my money? I'm listening. I'm all ears.
Okay. I will explain everything.
Okay.
My sugar. Oh, Tom. You know I love you. Stop disturbing yourself, okay? It is you that I want.
Leave me, Joe. Leave me alone. That's what you're going to say.
Later you start following that stupid girl, that stupid Tasha. I really don't like what you're doing to me. I don't like it. You're belittling my standard in this village and I don't like it.
Baby, calm down now. Why will you say such a thing now? Listen, I want you to forget about other women. Focus on us, okay?
I should focus on us?
Yes.
Just take a good look at me from head to toe. Look at me. Am I not a full package? Can you compare me with that dirty thing? What is your problem? See, I am rich. I have money. I own my own big salon. That girl don't have anything to offer you. Yes. I don't know what you're doing with such a cursed girl, such a cursed family. Rumor has it that they killed their parents. Yes. And her elder sister is nowhere to be found. And now she's wambling around the whole village, doing nothing. Looking for one man to jump into. See, I really don't like what you're doing with that girl. I don't like it. And gossip is flying ups and down. Saying that my own boyfriend, my own man, is frolicking with that low-life papa. Someone who does not even have a direction in her life. You're following her ups and down. You're embarrassing me. Amy, you are embarrassing me and I don't like it.
Oh, Tom, calm down now. What did you call it? Gossip? Why will you believe in gossip? Do you have evidence of what you're saying? Have you ever seen... Stop saying all these things now. I've told you severally. Forget about this girl. She's a fighter. What will I be doing with a fighter? It's a one day. Listen.
I should stop listening to rumors.
Yes, now.
But you're doing another thing.
It's a lie. It is you. You are mine. I'm yours, okay?
That's
what will I
you're
be
going
doing
to
with
say.
That fighter called Tasha?
Who's she? But you're following her like a lost sheep that you are. Following her ups and downs. What does she have that I don't have? I have money. I have
What
my
is going on?
Hey!
What is...
What is going on?
What are you saying? What is going on?
Emeka, what is she doing to you? What is going on? Yes, allow me to explode. So because she went to Lagos and came back with few stops, she thinks she can intimidate anybody she sees in this village. She hasn't started. What are we do to her, Brenda? Yeah, what are we do to this girl? Hey,
Tasha, you have to calm down before you explode.
Allow me to explode. Oh, because she came back to this village from Lagos, carrying few stuffs around, small money that she made from all those, what are they calling them? Conductors in Lagos. She thinks she can use it to intimidate anybody she sees in this village. She hasn't started. What have we do to her, Brenda? Yeah, he ain't gonna meet this girl. Hey. Okay.
But Tasha, I know that what this Lisa girl is doing is wrong. But what about Emeka? Must he be cheap? Why is it that Emeka will not allow anything under the skirt to rest? Yes, any woman he sees, he wants to know what is under the skirt. You see, I'm not blaming this girl. You should talk to your boyfriend.
Shut up. But it's true. I even allowed you. You're still spilling.
You should talk to Emeka.
Are you mad?
It's not this girl.
Shut up, oh! We should be talking about what to do to this girl. And you're here bringing up Emeka. Don't even start. Don't get me angry, oh.
No, I'm saying the truth.
I've told you. I've warned you.
How can a man be this
I've warned you. I've warned you. I've warned you. What are we going to do to the girl, Biko?
Calm down. You should tell me now.
Why, in fact, why won't you even support her? Why won't you support her? She used to be your friend now before she left you to travel to Lagos. Why won't you support her? What do you know about Emeka?
Okay, I've heard you, my stubborn friend. What do you want us to do?
See, we need to plan. When that girl is coming out, you and I, full force, and acquire Jaja. We will beat her, We will beat her, flog her, to the point that she will not see legs to go to Emeka's house again, or stand on that mango tree with Emeka again. Yes, that's what we'll do.
It's not a problem. I got you. You're my friend. Whatever you want us to do, that girl, I'm with you.
So you're game?
I'm game. 100% I'm game. Let's go and beat her. We'll put her pepper, beat her, flog her.
So, Emeka is a very lovely person. Yes, sir. So tell me now, who is the latest boyfriend?
You don't have anybody. You don't have. You know me now. I'm hot tempered.
You're hot tempered. You better deal with that. You're hot tempered. I'm telling you, if not, you will not see any man.
Falling in love.
What do you mean by that?
I can't see myself falling in love. I don't have patience.
You don't have patience. No wonder you're telling me not to give a makeup. I don't even have your time.
Things are looking good.
I'm looking good.
Wow.
Right?
I say, hey, hold it there. Hold it. Remove this your wig first. Say, when you tell them to do shaka. Listen, if you come to a place, you will not see someone smart. If you see Emeka, you will run. If you see, leave me alone. If you come to a place, you ask questions. If I chase you, take her. If you come to a place, I say Dasha. Dasha.
Swear to God, what are we do to those two? What are we do to Dasha and Brenda? Their eyes will not believe it.
But you had chance, but you did not. You did not.
You as my friend, what did you do? You ran away. You left those two to devour me, to tear me into pieces.
No, it's not like that, so. I want to go and call somebody to help us. You know, they are two. I don't have strength. I cannot even fight. I don't know how to fight.
It's like what? No, it's like what? You're a coward. I swear you're a coward. You're a wasted effort in a friend. That is what you are. You left those two to tear me into pieces and you ran away without doing anything. Who is your friend? I am not a friend, though. Rubbish. Just look at all my body.
Forgive me now. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Let me clean you.
Leave me alone.
Okay,
Don't touch me.
What are we going to do now? We need to do something.
You and who?
Me and you now.
Who are the we? So they can abandon me just the way you did.
No, I will not.
Oh, please, I am doing this alone. I'm doing this alone. Please. And you see this particular one, it requires money. But I will do it.
Where are you going to see money? Where will you see money? Look at your body.
Leave me alone. Don't touch me. Don't look at me. I'm such a mess. You allow them to devour me.
Money don't become water for your hand.
Let me now see the body she will now use to deceive my boyfriend.
God,
Let me see.
So happy. Hey, I am so happy that we dealt with that girl.
Do you get?
If you see the way we were.
Like, I still feel like I didn't give her enough. Yeah, you need him, I fold my hand like this, and swing it then. Give her directly inside her eyes.
Ooh. You see that girl, both of us has one-on-one scores to settle. Okay, for Ogechi. You see that Ogechi?
See,
we will grind pepper.
Yes.
We will grind pepper.
Grind pepper,
Yes.
I will bring hot water. We'll mix it together.
Yes.
Immediately she's coming and hide from the bush and I'll give it to her.
We'll give to
My darling, how are you?
Don't touch me. If you want to talk on your own. Don't touch me, please.
Baby, calm down now.
Calm down what?
Why would you say such a thing?
Then why would I say it? What are you even doing here? What are you doing here? Who is your baby among the two of us here?
Listen now.
What are you doing here?
It is you that I want. You don't have any competitor.
Which I don't have any competitor.
That's the truth. Now.
Small money that this girl just fling on your face. Your mind is just blown away. You're just carried away.
Baby, that wasn't cheap.
Are you not cheap?
Are you calling me cheap?
Are you not cheap? Look at the way you're falling up and down like a fly. Are you not cheap? Better go back and follow her. Go back and follow her. Don't even come close to me.
Baby, listen, now you have every right to feel this well. And that is why I decided to come here to apologize to you one-on-one. To let you know that it is you that I want to.
Save whatever sweet talk you want to say now. I don't want to hear it. Brother, come and close my ear.
Don't. See, babe, calm down. What was all this one now? Be careful. This one, you told her to close your ear. She wants to come and do it. This one might be a friend of you. But meanwhile, listen, on my way to this place, I saw that cloth. You know that cloth, that gown with flowers on it. It is still there. I believe God wants you to have it. That is why nobody has gone there to buy it yet. See, I am going to buy it for you as a sign that I am really, really, really sorry. And not just that. I will add it 2 undies. That's undies that looks like a pot that has rose flower behind. Baby,
I love you. I can do anything for you. I will cut off my head for you if that will make you happy. Eh? My sunshine. Actually, go.
You know, I love you too. You know you're sweeting me too much. I love you. Two of us together. We'll be very powerful, very, very powerful. That's why I want you very close to me. I don't want anybody to come between us. Not even Brenda, my friend.
Please, you both should not insult me. I have a home. Let me come and be going to my house. Before people will oppress me with your love.
So like I was saying, stop hurting me. I need you to apologize to me because all these ones you're saying now, apart from buying me that thing and that pants and that gown, you need to really apologize to me because everything you're doing is really paining me. Eh? You're just painting it to my face that I don't have money to spend on you.
Calm down. See, if you know how much I love you, you will know I don't want to see you angry anymore. Okay, see, let us go inside so that I will apologize in a unique way. And don't forget, I said I will buy you that gown and 2 catapult pants. Let's go inside. Let me apologize to you from the behind.
That's the only thing you know. Solely and money. Once it's money and sex, that's where they see.
Baby, calm down.
That's where they see.
Let me apologize to you.
Solely and money. That's the only thing
I know. But you really love that
me
alone. Baby, oh, Tom. I hope you enjoyed it. Baby, where did you learn that line from?
Hey.
I hope nobody's watching.
You know the trees have ears.
Let them have ears. My love was so sweet. Oh my God. You see why I told you you don't have any competitor in this village.
That's what you say now. Tomorrow now, you can't follow that urchin. You can't follow her up and down.
Baby, come now. Calm down now. See, I can't follow any other person. Those other people, urchins, whatever you call them, their own distance don't have NAFDAC. Yours have NAFDAC, tested and confirmed.
I'm talking about Lisa. I'm talking about Lisa that you're always flying around like a fly.
Baby, calm down now. My phone is ringing.
Why is she calling you? So this girl don't want to rest, Abby? Why is she calling you again?
Baby, calm down now. You should have picked the call to know why she's calling me now.
Do you know you're just so stupid?
Do you know if she mistakenly dialed my number?
She even delete and block her.
Baby?
Take your phone. Why would she call you?
Baby, this is my phone. You just deleted. Anyway, I don't.
Emeka, please, you have to leave now.
See, don't allow this mood to end this way.
What do you mean? So you actually enjoyed this mood and then you allowed her call you? Why would she call you now? After having a good time, why will it be now that she will call you? Why did you allow her?
Is it not phone that is in my pocket?
Please, Emeka, please, I'm not in for this, please. Go back to your house. I'm done. Go back.
Baby, calm down now. This wonderful moment we just enjoyed inside. You want it to... See, I will not allow it to end like this. So.
Please go to your house. Go to your father's house. Leave my compound and go to your father's house.
You're not choosing more, so. Yeah, I see you want another round.
Don't touch me.
Are you serious?
Over. So, after all my warnings, you still went on to call Emeka on the phone. Let me see your phone.
I did not call Emeka, no.
Come on. You have to delete Emeka's number, right? I need to be looking at you. I will design your face. I will design your face. Let me see your phone. Now listen, let me warn you. Let this be the last time you will call Emeka on the phone. If I ever see you flash Emeka, not to talk of you calling him and you guys are discussing, Hi! Yeah, I will use this tone and bring out your 32. I will give it to you. And then I will design your face.
Tasha, please! Tasha! Please!
Design it with this stone.
I will not call him.
You know what?
I will not call Emeka.
You will never call Emeka again.
I will never call Emeka again.
You will never what?
I will never call Emeka again. Never. I promise I will never call him. Please. Tasha, please.
Don't call Emeka on the phone again.
Don't call him.
I'm fine. I'll be fine, don't worry. How are you doing now? How is life treating you over there? I'm okay. Okay, sister. You don't have any problem, okay? I will utilize the money. Don't worry. I'll do everything you want me to do for you, okay? At least when you come back from Dubai, you and I will be living big now, eh? Don't worry, everything will be sorted out. I will. Okay? Thank you so much. Take care of yourself, please. Alright now. Bye.
This love don't shake you like Romeo and Juliet. Competition can put you for a while. But you're good to according to your height. That's your competition. Competition can put you for a while. But you're good to according to your height. That's your don't forget that the firewood you fetch during the right season. That's why you go use them during rainy season. Don't be carried away. Make we fake on ye Makeji Rama in your chair. Okona go guade to fe kwamba mancha. Opaluna jisina di puome. Ikonya jimayere madogage jimayere ya inogo. Competition. Competition can put you for a while. But you're good to according to your height.
Tasha! Who is this girl? Tasha!
Brenda, why are you screaming my name?
Hey!
What is it?
If I were you would not be asking me this question.
If you see what I just saw now.
What is it you saw? What did you see?
Can
you talk?
Okay. I just saw that witch with your boyfriend.
Lisa?
Yes, of course. Hey, wait. Let me just give you the full gist. I saw both of them in a restaurant, having fun. If you see the way they were playing together, kissing together, enjoying.
Please, it's okay.
No,
Which restaurant is that?
Wait, first.
We need to go there now.
Wait. For more indication, I believe the girl is the one footing all the bills. Yes.
Brenda, you need to show me the restaurant. We need to go there now.
You want to go
to show me the restaurant?
Are you actually
We are going there now. Please, let's go. You can make
Competition, got put you for wala. Got your cooler according to your height.
It's okay. Stop crying. Stop crying. See, what we have to do now, we have to plan. We have to plan to know what to do. Please, stop crying.
Kai, this girl bought Emeka with money. Because she has money. And because she knows Emeka likes money. Because Emeka is vulnerable, she now thinks she can use money to buy my boyfriend. But I'll beat her in her own game.
But this Emeka is so cheap. Why will a man be this cheap? He's so cheap.
Are you okay?
Ordinary food.
Are you mad? I will slap down your mouth and pull your teeth for you. Are you
saying
stupid?
the truth now? Why would a
What
man
do you
be
mean my
that
boyfriend is cheap? Your boyfriend is cheap. That's if you even have one. Please, Emeka is not cheap. Don't ever call him cheap. That girl is just trying to use money to deceive Emeka. I know the game she's playing, but I will beat her.
And he fell for it.
It wasn't his intention to fall for it. I'll beat her in her game.
It's okay.
Don't worry.
I understand what you're going through, okay? Just calm down. What is your plan now? What are you going to do?
You just keep your eyes on them. Keep your eyes on them while I figure out something. But as for Emeka, Emeka is mine. And mine alone.
Okay, I got you. Stop crying, It's alright, everything will be fine.
Please, can you lend me some money? Because just 1 million naira. Yes, I want to use it and buy, Imagono some stuff so that I can stock my shop. I don't have anything in the shop I'm selling anymore. Just chewing-gum and sweets that I have. If you give me this 1 million naira now, I'll go to the market. I'll buy things at wholesale price so that I will make profit. Because baby, please now, if you don't give me this money, who else will I go to now? Remember, you promised to help me anytime I need help, as long as I am with you. You're the only baby I have in this village now. Because if you don't give me this money now, it might delay things for me. Please, I'm begging you now. Sure, you say you love me. Okay. when I'm sending my accounts right away. Yes, now send it now. I'm sending my account. This phone is on speaker. Because I want heaven and earth to bear me witness on this. You promised to give me this money.
I need to find that exact money and give it to Emeka before she does. Yes. Let me now see how Emeka will leave me and follow her. Lisa.
Lisa, you are biting more than you can chew. And you've not seen the least of me. But watch and see. Me and you in this village.
This love done they shaky you like Romeo and Juliet. Competition.
You didn't tell me you were coming. Huh? Emma, sit down, sit here. I'm happy to see you.
I want you to close your eyes.
Why?
Close your eyes first. Close your eyes and bring out your hand.
Baby, now I trust you.
Close your eyes.
Okay. My eyes are closed.
Are you sure?
Yes. My eyes are closed.
You can open it now.
Is that bread? Should I open my eyes?
Open it. Open and see.
Hey! Hey, babe, where did you get such money from? Eh?
Don't ask me how I got the money. I just brought this money for you so you could stock up your shop. Okay? I just want you to know that I love you and I want to be the only woman in your life. Henceforth. That's what I want. Use this money and stock up. Stock up. Buy whatever you want to buy. This is 1 million naira. Buy anything you want to buy.
Baby, how did you know I needed money to stock up my shop? And see, I've heard what you said. I promise, it is only you till death, I swear.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
I am sure now. I swear on my... What do you want me to swear on?
Because if it is true, trust me, more will come.
Yes,
you understand?
I know.
Utom!
Hey!
Eh?
You did this one. Oh.
So you love me?
With my life.
Okay.
I love you with my life. Hey! Just name it. What do you want me to do?
I want you to leave Lisa.
Hello, big sis. How are you now?
Don't forget that the firewood you fetch during the rice season.
Okay, I will do just that. As a matter of fact, I will call the laborers once I drop this call. I'll call them. Okay, no problem. No problem, sis. Alright, bye. I think it is time now to show that little brat a lesson. She wait. And she wants to show power. She wants to flex that she has money.
Competition can put you for wahala. Got your cooler according to your height. Competition.
Mama. Chukwuemeka, is it not time you get a wife and settle down? You know you are not getting younger. And very soon, you'll start fading away.
Mama, what do you mean by I'll start fading away? Besides, someone needs to find the right person before I start thinking of getting married. I wouldn't just see anyone on the road and marry to the person now. So I'll just keep searching until I find the right person to marry.
What about this girl? Tasha. And the other girl I see you with, what is her name? Lisa. Are they not good enough? Nam, ichekwa aka na. He bukwa a bad boy. Are they not good enough? Eh?
Mama, I have feelings for Tasha and Lisa. So it makes it more difficult for me to choose. As you know, I can't marry both of them because we don't practice polygamy in this family. I don't want to be the first to have 2 wives. Because if I have 2, definitely I'll top it to 3. So I don't know. I'm just taking my time to make a choice.
Oh, you're right. That is why you have to choose wisely. Hmm? If you ask me, I would say Tasha. Tasha is the girl for you. Yes, it is true that they lost their parents and the villagers started gossiping that they killed their mother. But you and I know that is rumors, village rumors. You understand? And you know, when their mother was alive, she was my friend. And I can tell you that she had lung infection. And there is no money now. You know, when you don't have money, you don't have anything. That was what killed the woman. Because she couldn't get treatment. That was what killed her. So don't listen to rumors. Eh? And Tasha is one girl any family would love to have as a daughter-in-law. Because one, she is kind. She is very, very hardworking. And she's equally beautiful. Hmm? She is everything a man needs in a woman.
So, Mama, you're saying I should marry Tasha. What about Lisa? What will happen to her?
Listen, son. Every man needs a woman that will give him peace. And with Tasha, you are covered. Believe you me. And then don't forget about the virtues. Virtues of a woman. And she has them. Anyway, I'll be inside. Hi, kwadem kuku nwunye di mo.
I don't know where he wants me to get that kind of money from. I don't know where he wants me to get it from.
Babe, I am surprised. Don't allow a man to put you under pressure. Don't allow. Eh? By the way, him that is asking you to get that kind of amount, can he afford it? He cannot. Babe, just relax, I beg. Don't be stressed, please.
I don't want to lose him. Yes, I don't want to lose him. I will go extra mile to get him that money. I will go extra mile for it.
All I'm trying to say is that you should just calm down, yeah? You are stressed. Just calm down. You are stressed, please now.
I'm not happy. I'm really worried, seriously.
Worried about what again?
What if she gives him the money?
Who?
I mean, what if she finds out and decided to surprise him, you know? See, my instincts can never lie to me. Yes, my instincts can never lie to me. You see that girl, she can go extra mile to get that money. She can go any length to give Emeka that money. She's crazy.
Which girl? That one? She's jobless now. Where do you think that she can get that kind of money from? She's jobless. Babe, just relax. Relax. She cannot get that kind of amount of money. All she know how to do is to fight with that her useless friend. Just relax, yeah? Relax. Don't be stressed, please.
I need to get that money. I need to do it.
Babe, relax now. Relax. Relax.
I just need to get this money. I know that girl very well. She can do anything.
Fake life they switch you. Money don't become water for your hand. Eburu bada. What the money was it one oku? Obonye woko delu na teva. This love done they shock you like Romeo and Juliet. Competition.
Anyway, I just want to appreciate everything you have been doing for me and my son. You've been taking good care of us. I just want to appreciate you. My God will bless you. Who said it's nothing?
It's okay.
See, that's why I want my son to marry you. Because you are so nice. And so. See, I can't wait to have you as a daughter-in-law.
Mama, are you serious?
Do I look like I'm joking? I'm serious now.
Mama, serious. I love you so much. I love you so much that not even my sister can come between us. Nobody.
Talk about your sister. How is she? I hope you hear from her. I know she never liked your relationship with my son.
Mama, who told you about it?
Hey, do I look like a child? I know, of course. Emeka keeps complaining of how she chases him out whenever he comes to see you. Anyway,
Mama, don't worry about my sister.
Just keep being the good girl that you are, okay?
Thank you, Mama. Mama, nobody can come between me and Emeka. Not even that stupid one that called herself. It's not Lisa, because it's not Lisa. Nobody is capable of separating me and Emeka. Emeka, I love you.
Mama! Mama, good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
Good day. How are you?
How are you, Lisa?
I'm fine. How are you? Hope you're fine.
She is fine, as you can see. Is she not looking fine in your eyes? She's fine.
I choose to ignore you. Hey, Mama. I was actually going to the house to see Emeka and to help you with small chores in the house. But since I already met you, let's be going together, eh? Let's go now.
Thank you. But that will not be necessary. As you can see, Tasha and I are coming back from the market. She will do the house chores for me. Thank you. Another day.
No problem, Mama. Do not hesitate to call me anytime you need my help. Do not even hesitate to call me so that some people will not poison you.
She says she doesn't need your help. Busybody. She doesn't need your help. Ogini, Igbo house help. Is it by force? She doesn't want your help.
Are you referring to me?
Of course I am talking to you. What will you do?
Are you referring to me?
Mama, no, hey, let me give it to you.
Give Guinea.
Mama, allow me now. Let me.
Mama, sorry. I saw it happen.
You see what you caused? Mama, you see what I've caused? Mama, sorry, please. Mama, please.
Your eyes. It's your eyes now. Oh, your eyes. Hey! Mama Emeka.
Sorry, Mama,
oh, so you came to blame Mama Emeka's eyes. Mama Emeka of all people. Emeka of all people. Hey! Mama, Mama, can you see me? You cannot see me. I know you cannot see me.
Mama, please, it was not
you have blinded her eyes. Mama.
You caused all these things. Mama, please, I'm sorry.
Mama, is that blood?
Can you see me?
Mama, blood, oh. Mama, let me see.
Mama, please. Mama,
see what you caused. Have you seen what she caused?
You caused it.
You blinded Mama Emeka's eyes. Mama Emeka, can you
Black
see me?
Witch.
Mama, I told you should have allowed me. You should have allowed me to deal with that girl, eh? I would have dealt with her. Teach her a lesson of her life. Eh? Hey, and it's very, very swollen. Mama, are you sure you can see?
Yes.
Mama, I doubt if you can see. But Mama, you should have allowed me now. You should have allowed me teach that girl a lesson of her life. Why did you stop me? Why?
It's okay, Mama. See, you really do not need to fight her. You really do not need to fight her. Why did you even fight her?
Mama, you should have just left me.
I will go and warn her. I will warn her to stay away from my son. Because my son cannot marry a toxic woman as a wife. Look at my eyes.
Sorry.
What will my son say if he sees this?
Mama?
Nah. Kefan.
No, come here. Okay. Hope you're good.
Yes, I'm good though.
Oh.
Obim, you do not see me now.
Ne. Pardon my manners, so sorry. Mama. What's going on now?
Nothing, no. Where?
Where are you? Look at me now, ma.
I'm looking at you.
Mama?
No, I'm happy.
Mama? Jesus! Your eyes swollen now. Why is Mama's eyes like this?
Something entered it. That's what I told her to help me bring out.
Mama, see, let's just tell him the truth. There's no need. Mama, stop. Tell him how it is.
What
Tell
truth?
him.
Talk now, what truth?
Is Lisa. Lisa, she made a fist like this, and released it on your mother's eyes.
Whoa. Why? How?
She
When?
had intentions to blind your mother. Mama, explain to him. Tell him you can't see him very well.
Mama Cheregoli, what did you say happened to your eyes?
Mother.
You mean Lisa punched my mother?
She made a very hard fist and
Why? How?
released her hand.
When? Where?
This evening, on our way back home.
Mama? Lisa did it to you.
Lisa did it. Mama say it now. Lisa did it to you.
I will teach her the lesson of her life.
Tell him that you can barely see. I explained to him how it is.
But no, Mama. How can Lisa? Who prompted her to do such a thing? Mama.
She says she hasn't even started.
I'll kill that girl.
Hey, come back! Come back!
Where are going to our house? What nonsense?
This is where I don't want to
know. Would you have preferred you walk outside again and she would want to blind your second eye? Allow him to deal with her. Is this the kind of person you want your son to marry?
No, my son will marry her.
She hasn't even entered the family. She has started blowing your eyes. Imagine when you people now married into the family.
Lisa! Lisa! Where is she? Lisa! Yeah. Come. What's the problem?
Why are you shouting my name like that, my love?
What do you mean, why am I shouting your name like that, my love? Who's your love?
What happened?
What happened where? I should be asking you what happened. What transpired between you and my mother? Speak, talk to me!
Is that why you're shouting?
I said what transpired between you and my mother. Oh, it's true, right? You had the guts to raise your hand on my mother's face. Do you want to blind her?
My love, see, I can explain to you.
Come on, get your hands off me. Na puala. If you Muswa give me now, they will call me a woman beater. Are you mad? They will say I've beaten up a woman. I don't want to see you anywhere close to me or anything that has to do with me. Do you understand? Stay away from me. Avoid me in this village. I'll kill you.
Why are you saying all of this to me? No, tell me. Did you even ask me what happened? And you hear yelling, shouting at me.
Shut your mouth.
Is it because of the money you are
raising? Keep quiet. See. Whenever you see me, I'm beginning to stammer. Avoid me. When I stammer like this, I can kill somebody. Avoid me in this village.
Mika, is it because of the money you are reacting?
You're mad. Have the guts to raise your hands on my mother. You're still calling me baby.
I did not raise my hands on your mother.
Call your grandfather baby. I'm a swag me. Avoid me in this village.
Emeka, me,
Lisa.
How dare you?
If you have the mind to raise your hands on my mother.
Emeka, I did not raise my...
What about you?
Competition. I am telling you. Hey. Right before me, Emeka gave her a better warning.
Wait, you mean Emeka? Emeka went and warned her.
Yes.
Yes. I can't believe this.
I am telling you, I'm not lying. Emeka warned. I told you now. Emeka is mine. Nobody can take him away from me. He is mine.
I'm surprised though. Emeka of all people. I'm really surprised. Because Emeka that I know is cheap. A cheap man.
No, Brenda. Are you okay? See, if you know you'll be coming to my house to insult my boyfriend, you better stop coming to my house. What is it?
Sorry, don't be offended. But he's a cheap man now.
How is he a cheap man? How is he a cheap man? I can see you're done with this friendship. Because I don't understand. Why will you be insulting my boyfriend at any slightest opportunity? I don't like it too. I don't like it.
Tasha, be coming down. I was only joking with you.
Please, I don't like such jokes. I don't like it.
I am sorry. Okay, I'm sorry.
Emeka to say for me.
I said I'm sorry.
I am here celebrating that Emeka has finally won that idiot, and you're here calling him names. You think it's by choice that he wants to follow Lisa? Lisa has been the one deceiving Emeka. He has been the one deceiving him.
Well, I said I'm sorry. Just be coming down. I'm down. I'm happy for you. I mean, you have your man back. These your chickens are so big.
That's the
See this
fire
one. This one is so big. You said
during the rainy season. That's why you go use them during rainy season. Don't be carried away. Make we fake on ye if no go.
Hi, baby. Baby, I love.
I beg.
Oh no, baby, are you still angry with me? Are you still mad at me? My love. My sugar.
What are you doing?
Baby, are you still mad at me? My love.
What have you come here to do? Huh?
Baby,
What is it?
I'm sorry now.
You're sorry now. You had blinded my mother. Is that what you will say?
Honestly, it was not intentional. I wanted to hit that girl, but I mistakenly hit your mother in her eyes. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
You better be careful. Speak. What are you doing here?
Guess what? I got this for you. And I spent a lot of money on it.
What's that?
Check yourself now. See for yourself. Baby, you know I can do anything to make you happy. My love, my sugar, my tomato juice. Guess what, baby? Guess now.
Say whatever you want to say, I beg. Stop telling me to guess.
You remember that money I promised you? I'm going to give it to you. Yes. I'm still trying to gather them all. By this week, I'll give it to you so you can stock your shop. My baby.
Okay.
Yes.
Hey!
Baby, be romantic for once. Just be romantic for once.
What is going on here? What is going on here? You two are looking at me. What is happening? What is she doing here?
Nothing.
Tasha, what happened? Why is your face like this?
Who else? Who else if not that stupid girl?
Who is stupid? What, Lisa?
Yes, now. Lisa. Since Lisa came back to this village, Lisa has become a thorn in my flesh. Anybody that knows Lisa should warn Lisa. Oh. Tell Lisa to leave my man alone. This small Lagos Lisa went to. So somebody will not have rest in this village again. What is all this?
Time? What has
Better tell her family member that she should warn her. They should warn her to leave my man alone. Let her leave my man. I went to see Emeka. I got there only for me to see Lisa seducing Emeka with gifts. Why?
Gift?
Okay, they want
gift to quoi? Hey, there's nothing I will not see this village. But why is Emeka a he-goat? Why is this so cheap? Why will Emeka be collecting gifts from a woman? What is wrong with this boy?
The giver should stop giving.
And the receiver should always not be accepted.
Shut up, Biko. Emeka is not a charity case. Ogenedo. She should better hold herself. Oh. If she's looking for gifts to give, let her go to Motherless Baby and give out gifts. Ogene. See, meanwhile, my friend, something very important brought me here.
Tasha, hope I'm safe.
Brenda.
Tasha.
You have been my friend for a very long time now. I want you to do this favor for me. If you do this favor for me, my generation will never forget you.
Tasha.
Brenda, I want you to dash me 200,000 naira, please.
Yes. 200,000.
200,000. Because it's not making sense to me. Since Lisa has declared this a competition it will be. Yes, let us do it. Oh, she thinks she's the only one that can buy gift for Emeka. I want to show her that I am equally capable of buying gift for Emeka. What is it? Dash me 200,000 naira and watch me buy gift for Emeka.
Tasha, what are you even saying? So you think I have 200,000 and I'm like this? I'm in this village, suffering. I think you want to insult me. If you want to insult me, just tell me that I'm stupid. What do you mean by I should dash you 200,000?
So you cannot dash me 200,000?
I don't have.
Oh yeah, borrow me 200,000. I will give you back.
Tasha, I don't have 200,000.
It's loan. Loan me 200,000. I will give you back. Ah, what do you mean you don't have 200,000? Your parents are they not selling provision? They have money now. Borrow me. If you don't want to dash me, you borrow me. I will give you back when I have.
Tasha Radikage, are you sure you're okay? Wait, you want me, Brenda, to dash you 200,000?
To borrow me 200,000.
So that you can use it and buy gifts for a man. Ha! You've lost it. Ikopogo.
So you're not giving me?
Tasha, I don't have.
Oh no, you're not giving me. It's fine.
This love done the
shaking. I don't have. Like do I have 200,000 and I'm like this? I should borrow you 200,000 so that you can use it to buy gifts for a man. Ah! Tasha, wait! Tasha!
Yes, we're done with that one. It's going on well. Everything is going on just fine. Mm-hmm. Of course. Yes. They are doing their job very well. You know. Don't worry now. You sound like you worry too much, oh, sister. I got you covered. Oh, Mama. Nukune, I got you covered. No. Sister, we'll be needing more money, oh. More money. Because the laborers I paid yesterday, they told me that we need more cement. Plenty cement and rod. They said we'll buy plenty rod and sand. They say we'll need plenty sand. Plenty sand. So all these things now is money now. We need money for it. Even if it's to deposit, maybe by after 3 days, we'll now pay off. We need money. We need money to gather all these things. That is the goal. That is the goal. Sister, don't worry. When I am done, I already have my room mapped out. Sister, don't worry, Everything will be done perfectly, the way you want it. All right. Emeka. Who is Emeka? That goat. I didn't tell you. Sister, do you know that I saw this boy? I caught him red-handed inside bush having sex with one of his village concubines. I caught him. Wise woman, that is my name now. Overwise. I don't have anything to do with that goat. I'm done for good. I need to focus on my life. Focus on my future. Okay? Okay, sister. I'll be waiting for the money. Once I see it, I'll let you know. All right. Thank you. Bye.
Competition. Competition can put you for one. Got your culture according to your height.
Not flexible. Now look at me now. I think you're the only one.
Fake life done this with you. Money don't become water for your hand.
Tasha, baby.
What the money was
Please, I should come and see me.
Wait, is my eye paining me?
Your eye is not paining you.
Tasha!
It is not paining you.
Is this you?
Tasha, life and direct.
Hey! So you're this beautiful?
Dikeh, clean your mouth. I have always been beautiful. I've always been a fine girl now. You don't know?
Hey.
No, tell me, don't you know? I just decided to add in my goodness, small touch up, makeup, buy hair. This is hair.
I bet.
This is hair.
I know.
This is hair.
I can see it.
This one is hair.
Don't blind me, please. Don't blind me. I can see it. So wait, where are you going to dress all like this? With this your fine hair. Look at your slippers. Where are you going to?
Is this question? I mean, where else am I supposed to be going to? Where else you think I should be going to dress like this in this village? Hey, Emeka now.
Hey, Emeka.
I am going to Emeka's house. I mean, Emeka needs to see me hot. Yes, he needs to know that his baby girl is hot. Hey. Look at baby girl.
The same Emeka. The cheap Emeka. Ha! Now, wow.
You see, Brenda, I am actually in a good mood today. You understand? No, with all this my steez and class, I'm not supposed to exchange words with you. If you like, call Emeka cheap from now till midnight. I am not going to reply you, but tomorrow, watch alone. But today, you see today, happy mood with my hair on fleek to Emeka's house.
But
yeah,
wait,
madam.
Tasha.
So
you are doing all these things because of man?
Yes, so not because of man, because of Emeka. I am doing all these things because of Emeka.
If I blended you that money, you will use my hard-earned money to go and buy hair for Emeka. Tasha!
Hey! You're talking to yourself.
Hey. Tasha, wait! Tasha, wait!
Oh, sugar.
Who's your sugar?
It's you, of course.
Akwamaka. Leave me alone.
Oh,
Leave me
come
alone.
on.
Leave me alone. I'll run out of here. Leave me alone.
Listen, you are so beautiful.
Now you know I'm beautiful now. Because I'm on makeup. So what happens if I remove this makeup now? You leave me and go and follow that your fair girlfriend. It's not Lisa, because it's not gone.
Baby, listen.
Now you know I'm beautiful. Leave me alone.
Makeup or no makeup, you are still the angel I am in love with. Nothing can change that, okay? I love you, and I will always love you for the rest of my life. Believe me, okay?
Are you sure?
I am more than sure now.
Hey, if you're sure, then marry me now. Marry me. Make me the envy of all these small girls that is running after you. Marry me.
My love, is that what you're saying with style? Of course, I will marry you. I'll marry you.
My baby. My love. My sugar.
Lisa.
Wait. Did you just call me Lisa? Did you just call me by my name?
Is your name not Lisa again? Is your name not Lisa again?
Emeka, what is she doing here and laughing with you?
Hey. No, I should be asking you. What are you doing in my soon-to-be's husband's house?
Husband?
Listen. You know, I don't miss morning mass. That is why I always tell the truth. So, the truth is that Tasha here is the woman I love. And I want to spend the rest of my life with her.
Emeka, this is unacceptable. Emeka, so you have chosen to marry this thing.
This black witch. You have chosen her over me. Hey, Emeka. Oh, I see. Because she's deceiving you with this masquerade face. Eh? With this borrowed clothes she's wearing. Emeka, what does she have that I don't have? Emeka, I am loaded. Emeka, I have money. I have what it takes to be a woman. What does she have?
Hey, Chineke. See, let me just tell you, you met me well. If not because today I just want to maintain class for my Amy, yeah, Nkwagi henga akogi today, Nkwagi, if I beat you, if I raise my hand, you turn to green. Are you mad? I mean, you claim you have money. Why didn't you? Why were you unable to afford 1 million naira to give Emeka? Emeka said he needed 1 million naira, but you were unable to give it to him. But me, I worked so hard and raised 1 million naira to give to my man. In a love, you don't know how to spend money.
I see. I see where all this is coming from. This is all about the money, right? No problem. No problem, Emeka. You're dumping me because of this black witch. No problem. We shall see. Oh.
How did you see?
I did not see her. It was the one that saw me.
Love me well. There is more where that one I gave you is coming from. Let's see. All you need to do is, in the morning, give me love. Afternoon, love. Then firing me with love. Anyway, you see me on the road, you're giving me little love. There is more.
It's my hobby to give it to you anytime you want it. But I've always wanted to tell you this.
I'm sorry. I am deeply sorry. Sincerely. I'm sorry.
You're sorry. Tasha, you are sorry. Tasha, do you know what I went through? Back there in Dubai, I suffered. I saw hell. The devil, I shook hands with him. I went through hell. Your sister Mercy, I was eating the Arabian men's shit. I was eating everything eatable just to make dirham, enough money to send to you. I migrated from Dubai to Canada. Let's not talk about the cold. Yet I was hustling. I was working so hard, doing jobs that other women could not do. Just to send money to you, just to eradicate poverty from this family. And you had the mind, Tasha. You took my handed money and gave it to your husband. I want to make something very clear to you here. Every single penny that I sent to you, I have the evidence and I have the receipt. Oh, Tasha, you will pay me back every dime. Even if it's the last thing I do on it. I, merciless Mercy, you will pay me back my money.
My heart is broken. My world is falling apart, falling apart, falling apart. Pain and sorrow are taking over me. Pain and sorrow.
Mama, what do we do? Mama, I warned my wife, Tasha, but she wouldn't listen. I told her
Mercy would definitely go to any length to claim whatever belongs to her. Eh? Now look at it. What do we do now?
See, don't blame your wife, Tasha. Tasha did what every good wife will do. Hmm? If not for Tasha, will you be driving that fine car? Eh? Or you don't know that car is fine? So don't blame her, Biko.
Okay, but something has to be done. Yes?
Yes, I'm thinking. Wait.
Mama, think fast
I'm
now.
thinking.
Think fast. Eh?
Glad you're at home today. This is where you are, you rogue. You thief from the pit of hell. Listen, I want every single thing that you took from my sister Tasha returned to me now.
Push me, Mercy. Do not push me. Now you listen to me. I have been keeping quiet is because of the love I have for your sister Tasha. Else
what? Oh, please shut your trap. Shut that hole you call him out. Do you know what love is? You are nothing but a rogue, a thief. The only person who wants to reap where he did not sow. You only married my sister Tasha because you wanted to take away everything that I've worked for. I've labored for over years in Canada. But let me tell you something, I am talking to you. It will never happen. I will not let you tackle or rumple me under your armpits like you did to my sister. So please, return every single thing that was given. In fact, I'm giving you ultimatum of 2 weeks. Else,
Mama.
bastard. Look at your wanna be a riffraff, a hungry fool.
Keep talking.
I don't know what Tasha saw in you. Okay. Look at you.
Stop insulting my son in my presence.
What son are you talking about? This charlatan. No, this thing that wears the 2 crusty earring and sits his ass down in this hot afternoon to suckle your breast. Is this what you call a son, a gold digger? You failed as a mother. You're supposed to take care of your son, give him upbringing, a good one at that. You let him become a gold digger. A fool. Someone who's supposed to be a laborer in an uncompleted building.
Insult my mother.
Oh, please. I am here to let you know that you have just 2 weeks. I am just giving you 2 good weeks. I am talking to you. 2 good weeks. 2 weeks to return everything you took from my sister. Else, I am not joking.
Mama.
Will you come back here? I'm not done with you. I said and I repeat myself. 2 weeks. Else.
Mercy.
Mercy. I'm not here to battle words with you.
Watch it.
No, if you like to eat, take it out. Mercy, what is it? Come home. They're about to leave your sister, Tasha, at the market. Sister, how? How? They are accused of stealing. People have gathered around her. If you come now, you will stop everything. My sister? Yes. Here.
My heart is broken.
Never. I will not let it happen. I suffered for my money. Made my money myself. I know what I went through.
betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow has taken over me. Cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow has taken over me. Cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. I am in pain, I am in sorrow. I want the bell, I'm a true.
What are you thinking about? Are you okay?
I am thinking about a whole lot. A whole lot.
A whole lot like what?
I am thinking about the pain, the sorrow, the agony, the hatred from people around us. Life itself isn't even fair. I'm tired, aren't you?
I know I contributed to this misfortune of ours.
Don't say that. What happened to you could have happened to anyone in your situation. It is not your fault. The question is why God allowed it.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I just don't want anything to happen to you. Because if anything had happened to you, what would I have done? What would have become of me?
It's okay. Please. I'll tread more carefully this time around, please.
I don't want to.
It's okay. It's okay. I don't want you thinking so much, okay?
My heart is broken. My world is falling apart, falling apart, falling apart. Pain and sorrow has taken over me. Pain and sorrow, cry of a sister, we betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow has taken over me. Cry of a sister, we betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow has taken over me. Cry of a sister, we betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow has taken over me. Cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. I am in pain. I am in sorrow. I want the bell. I'm a junior. I remain the well. I'm a junior. Disappoint me, oh, my own sister. You have failed me.
My way sweet, die.
Your lagata my here.
Your fracking and galalago, my. My day, baby. My day. 1,000 naira for one egg damn, starting damn, everything damn, fish damn. Wine where God forgot water for damn, everything damn.
I will fight you. I will fight you.
So fun, this is the taco. You like them? Buy your my way sweet to die. My way sweet pass your wife. My egg damn, fish damn, everything damn.
Your heart's my here.
Buy your my.
Your my here.
Come. How much did you say?
1,000 naira.
1,000? It's sweet?
At least it's sweet past your girlfriend.
You don't see sweet guest association like us. They ask them that's whether it's sweet. See, fish damn, egg damn, crayfish damn, pepper damn, onions damn. Now your girlfriend when you don't give the lessons, you chop and pan, everything go enter. Everything when the crayfish damn.
Wash.
Wash.
Make I give you 500. 500.
Oh
yeah, wait.
Hey, touch me.
Why you
You want buy market or you don't want buy?
Give me. I'm saying sweet.
It's sweet past your girlfriend.
Wait now, I'll give you now. Take. See your money now.
This is every time.
Don't put it in my way sweet today. My. You don't finish. Buy your my.
I am in sorrow. I want the bell. I'm a junior. I remain the well. I'm a junior. My own flesh and blood, you disappoint me, oh, my own sister, you have failed me. Opusonye ganga makulunu, opusonye ganga maka, opusonye ganga makulunu. We never give you peace. I can never give you peace. I will fight you. I will fight you. I can never let you go. I will fight you. I will never give you peace.
You remember how we used to do it? We'll bring out one part for our next sales, and then we'll keep the rest for the savings for either of us to travel out. Remember?
I remember, sister.
Good.
You sure you still want to eat this night?
Yeah, so give me first. Go and make food. My eye is turning me.
But you're the one who complained that you're getting big, that you want to slim down, so when you travel out, you'll be able to see all those.
My sister, leave what belongs to Caesar for Caesar. No, don't do that. Go and make food for me. You mean after all this walking, after all the running up and down and everything, I'm not going to eat? You can't give me food, please.
Okay. When I see me every time that you love me, you be telling me you love me, but you don't want to introduce me to your mother as the only woman in your life. That means you're cheating on me.
Haba now. Why will you say such a thing now?
Are you not cheating on me?
Why will I cheat on you? I don't have any reason to cheat on you.
You are cheating on me. If you're not cheating on me, then introduce me to your mother now. Tell her that it's me that you want and nobody else.
That is what you're going to say, not accusing me of something I'm not doing. Who in this village now will get close to you're very special down there. Welcome.
No, what in the green? What is happening here? What in the bush is happening here? Tasha, with this loafer, this good for nothing entity, this idiot, with him again, this gold digger, this MC vessel, this kangaroo, And you have sworn not to leave my sister alone. You think my sister is like all these village girls that you want to get under their skirt, where? Once you sleep with her, boom, you disappear. Stay away from my sister, Emeka. I have told you. People that answer Emeka, they are useless, womanizers, only feel good about them.
Don't insult me.
No, who just spoke? You. So when human beings come out to talk, you also come out to talk. At your age, show me a reasonable man that is under the tree, toasting a woman by this time. Are your mates not on the bridge, 10 million bridge or somewhere going to walk? Useless idiot. Now you listen to me, better stay away from my sister. Because if you don't, I will cut this thing dangling between your legs.
Sister.
I'll shut up your mouth from my mom. I don't know. And I go up with this. Stay away from my sister. She's not like one of those useless village girls that you want to get under their skirts. Stay away from her.
At least I am a man.
What
okay,
stupid
Kambo.
man?
I'm a real man.
What man?
Oh, you don't know?
Which money?
You don't know?
Which money?
Come to my house and you will find out.
Why are you holding it?
Come to my house and you will find
Who
out.
Who wants to touch that thing? I don't even like them fair. I don't know what you saw in this idiot. If I get to the house before you, I will cut off your nipples. No, say that I'm joking. Move this way if I move you. Come on, fellow here. Hey,
has he got into this?
You
cut off her what? Wait, did I hear her right? You cut off what?
Sister, this is one God. Now come outside. Come outside! So after all my warnings, Tasha, after all my warnings, you still have the guts to go and meet that useless boy. How many times have I wanted to stay away from that boy? Tasha, haven't I told you that that boy is not good for you? All he wants from you is sex. Just like he wants from every other girl. And once he gets it, he will drop it for another woman. Tasha, what is your problem?
Sister, I love him more.
You what? May that love swallow you. You're a very stupid girl. You're not okay. I'm telling you something that's important. You're telling me you love him. You know what? Kill that love. My sister, go to the back there. Bury it. Because as long as that boy is concerned, that love does not exist. Someone that I saw yesterday with Master Okoro's daughter, under Whoop Mango. Eh? On my way to Nama, my friend's house, I still saw him again with another girl. Let me break the main news for you. You know Nama, my friend. You know Nama now. He even had to come and toast and check her. And guess what? You know Nama. You know how sharp her mouth used to be. She gave it to him hot. Hot. Not a daft like you. Not a stupid human being like my sister. You see a man, your body starts shaking. You forget yourself. Listen, I will not allow you to bring or even tarnish the image of this family. It will not happen, no. It would! So better show a chain. Sorry for your stupid self. Nkapu, don't have sense. When you reason, you will not reason. I don't know what you will see in this boy in the first place. Can I go for this boy, you know? Eh? Ha! That's a mom gaga. If you like, you listen to me. If you like, don't listen to me. The next time I will see you with that boy, I will tear you. Don't have sense.
Yeah, baby.
Oh,
baby.
oh,
Oh, baby.
Mm.
Oh, baby.
Oh,
You're so sweet.
oh, Emeka.
What's
Emeka.
my name?
Emeka.
What's my name?
Emeka mo.
Who is your daddy?
Oh.
Who is your daddy?
Emeka.
Who is your
Emeka.
daddy?
Oh. Emeka. Emeka, Biko. Emeka. Child, Emeka. Woo.
Yeah, baby.
Amy.
You accept my
Amy.
apology? You accept
Amy,
my
Mama.
apology? I'm sorry.
Amy.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Ewo.
Emeka. Mama. Oh, Gini.
Mama.
Eh?
Mama.
Emeka.
Mama.
Mama. Oh, Gini. Oh, Gini. Where is he? Oh, Gini. Daddy, where is he? Oh, Gini. Emeka. What is it?
Emeka. See, you make it. Mama, call Emeka to come outside this place. Call Emeka for me.
Oh, yeah, wait.
He has the guts to come and sit with my son in my own father's house. Call Emeka to come outside.
I will call him.
Call him to come outside.
Emeka.
Deputy Hero.
Emeka.
Call him to come outside.
Wait, now let me.
Mama, stop calling that thing again, Mama. I'm gonna be fine again. Emeka had the guts to come and sleep with my sister in my own father's house.
Hey.
Maybe I break. Emeka, don't tune me. Don't tune me, because tell him to. I don't think now. Tell him to come, Mama. I'm not talking, no. I will put my head in. I will come inside here. Tell him to come out. Tasha, you locked the door. Tasha. Hey, Tasha. Okay, then you want to lock the door. No, you have the impetus to bring somebody into this house. Tasha, we butcher you. Tasha. Okay, you have locked the front door. When I lock the front door, Tasha.
Hey, see, this boy doesn't have fear at all. He has the guts to come right under your roof to have sex with your sister.
I swear, he is lucky I wasn't able to catch up with him. I would have cut off those dangling things in between his legs.
This is the height of it.
You need to do something about this boy.
Of course I will. Eh, Emeka? Anywhere I set my eyes on Emeka, anywhere I see him, he will get it hot for me. What is even wrong with Tacha, Sef?
Talk as if you don't know.
What is wrong with Tacha? Is it until this boy sleeps with a dog that she will know that this boy is irresponsible? Eh? That is, he has not even done it already. Ha, that's if he's not even done already. Dog is an understatement.
You really need to put him in his place. On a second thought, you need to be careful. You need to be really careful if you want to deal with him. You see, not everyone you see walking on the street is healthy. Some of them are walking cops.
Really? He's not healthy. But he's healthy enough to come inside my own father's house and sleep with my sister. See, the next time that will ever happen and I catch up with him, I will lose everything. I will drag it out. He's lucky I was not able to just catch him. Please stop telling me this rubbish. I want to be more angry, please.
This is not nice at all, it's not.
Emeka. I'll dog of a
Guy, na so person they take payo. It remains small, na so that babe for.
But guy, you messed up. And you know that.
How now?
I warned you, Emeka. I told you to make that relationship a secret. But now, Mercy don't find out. It don't cast. And you know say that girl a tiger.
Guy, why they talk like this now? I've been doing my best now to keep it secret. I don't know how she take no. Eh?
Does it really matter how she take no? But that one, less issue. We go package her. Go package her. You get?
Wait till me. How go take package her? Ha! Guy, now you talk this kind of thing. Which kind of advice be this now? Eh? You know say the person in question here gets 9 lives. She be like cat.
Oh, but they try to help you here. I'm trying to help the situation. Okay, fine. What is your suggestion?
Now what if you ask me now? See, I want peace to reign. I go beg her. After begging her, she go give me the consent, make I continue the date her sister Tasha. I too like that girl, oh. Eh? The girl too fine. She can't get sense, get good character, can't dey humble, can't get respect, join her. My guy, as you see me now, I am a changed person. I'm a changed man.
Eh? Did I just hear you well? You, Emeka, changed person. A changed man.
Leave this boy. Leave this Emeka alone. He is nothing but a gigolo. He doesn't love you. All he wants is the thing in between your legs under your skirt. Trust me, once he gets it, he's gone. I've been telling you this thing how many times?
I'm sorry.
You keep telling me you're sorry. You tell me you're sorry, the next minute you do the unimaginable. Eh? Stay away from him.
It won't happen again.
It won't happen again. Okay. Listen, when you get pregnant for that man, you see that boy, Emeka? He will deny it. In fact, I don't need a suicide to tell me. I know his type. He will deny it and you'll be stranded in life. All your dreams and aspirations will be gone. Is that what you want for yourself? Okay, oh. I've said it too, because Papa and Mama in their grave, I'm sure they'll be very angry with you right now. And I don't want them to be angry with me too, asking why I did not warn you on time.
abstain from that boy. Stay away from him. You will not listen to me now. I've told you my own.
Emeka, I have been thinking. It's high time you leave this village for the city.
Mama, I'm not going anywhere. Yes, I have so much to do in this village.
So much to do. Like what? Huh?
Mama, what do you mean like what now? You want me to start telling you all my activities?
Emeka. Hi. Emeka Meha. Meha. What is it that you are doing in this village except following girls up and down? Chasing young girls up and down? Emeka, you have become every woman's spec. Even dogs now are chasing you too. Eh? You have to go to the city so that you will become responsible like your mates.
Is it only in the city people are now responsible? Mama, I don't understand you this afternoon. Please, I told you something just happened to me now. Look at my head.
Yes,
I was attacked.
Listen, you will go to that city. You must go to that city so that you will change your life. You keep bringing shame to me in this village. You will go to that city whether you like it or not.
No. Leave me alone.
Sit down, my baby. Oh, Tom. You are so sweet. Damn. What did you put inside there? You see why? You don't have to worry yourself about anything. You see, you don't have competitor in this village. No honeypot can be like yours.
Please, enough. That's all you always say now. Tomorrow now, I'll see you with all these small village girls up and down. I'll see you with them. I don't know if you even have sense at all.
See, if you say I don't have sense, I agree. But that was before. After tasting that sweetness that is inside there, I have sense now. As a matter of fact, I will never look at any other woman in this village. No competition. No competition. Sure? No competition.
Do like this.
Do I need to swear? You know, Kachuku say we should not be swearing. Let our yes be yes and let our no be no. You understand me now? Okay, the only problem I have is your sister. I don't know why she don't like me.
She likes you. My sister likes you. You just need to give her time. So you understand the kind of person you are. You know my sister is seeing you with corner eye. Hey.
If you say so, you say so, no problem. There's something that I want to tell you. Yes, before you hear it somewhere else. I have made up my mind to visit the city. Yes, now I cannot be wasting my time in this village. Let me go and hustle like my mates. When I make money, I'll be sending it over so that you look good for me. I'll take good care of you. So let me tell you.
So now you want to go to the city?
Yes, now.
Small Lisa now that I'm facing in this village with the small money she's giving you. Look at the kind of frustration that I'm into. Imagine when you now head to the city and see all those city girls with their plenty money. You just disappear. You get lost.
Baby, calm down now. Why is it always all about girls? Eh? Will I die on top of a woman? I have you and you're enough for me. I just want to go and make money so that I can be sending you enough money to buy all those long hair that will get.
Tasha, it is high time that I travel out of the country.
How do you intend to do that? I mean, we've not been able to gather enough money.
Yes, I know we've not been able to. But I've been able to save some money. I've been saving some money. With the help of my friend that borrowed me, I've been able to come up with something. There is actually nothing in this village. Trust me. Or are you happy the way we are facing from hand to mouth?
Okay. That's good.
Now I'm coming back to the reason I called you here. I do not want to hear any bad news. I don't want to see you anywhere with those village urchins, those never-do-wells. Nothing good can ever come out from them. Listen, don't think I'm far away from you. I'm just one flight away, one ticket. That's it. And I'm back. And you know what I'm going to do to you when I arrive. So please, comport yourself. Leave them, especially that one that calls himself Emeka. Let him stay away from my sister. I know I'm telling you this.
I've heard you now. Okay. Sister, you've dealt with him already. Moreover, he's no longer in this village. And he has learned his lesson.
Better! Since he doesn't want to leave my sister alone, and made me find him okay, he will learn the hard way. The next time I see him near you, I will butcher him.
Sister.
What?
Which country are you even going to?
I don't even know yet. But wherever others went to, I will definitely go there. All I just want is to break this yoke of poverty in this family. I'm tired. Well, aren't you tired of the way we are feeding from hand to mouth?
I'm tired though. I'm tired. But when you get there, what business do you intend doing?
Any legit business. Anything legit. What others are doing, I would do it. And trust me, I will make it. I trust you. I know you can be able to use this money wisely. I will be sending money down to you. And it is meant for this new building, for a new building. Do I make myself clear? Do not allow those chewing boys, those hungry looking wretched things in this village to take the money away from you because I will kill you.
God forbid. Me that I want you to come and erect a new building and demolish this nonsense that somebody is
stop it. Stop calling this structural nonsense. It's not. This is Papa and Mama's efforts. They tried for us. You don't even know the one you're going to do for your kids, your future kids. So keep quiet.
I've heard you. Oh, you always shouting. Shout. I've heard you. And you know I will miss you.
I knew that was what you were going to say. And I'm going to miss you too.
I'll miss you so much because how am I going to be staying in this house all by myself?
Listen, you better be a good girl. Do you understand me? Be a good girl. I don't want to hear any complaint. I just want to be getting good news only.
You will.
Promise me.
I'm not a baby now.
Okay.
But why don't you want me to come with you?
Come with me to do what?
Also.
And before you do it, you just make me to speak one rubbish dialect in front of all those white people there. Don't do that. And then you can give me food. But to follow me to where? Do you know how much is ticket and visa?
Emeka will not be there. I will not give
you
you
Emeka. Emeka, they not. See, they're not even born you and that you Emeka well. He has learned the hard way, I'm sure.
know I'll miss you.
I'm not going forever. It's just a matter of time.
But you'll be gone for a long time.
Don't even start. I'm going to miss you too. Is that why you're here crying? But I'm not going forever. I'm just going for some time.
But you'll be gone for a long time.
Please stop it. Stop doing this.
It's okay, oh, let's go. You miss your flight. Let's go, please.
I promise I'll be coming from time to time.
I'll miss you so much.
I know. I'll miss you too.
Try and keep safe, please. Be calling me. You have to be calling me all the time.
I'll call you and stop crying. I'm sure Emeka wouldn't like to see your face.
She just smiled. Let's go, please.
I've left Emeka.
Are you sure?
I have left him.
You have left Emeka.
Never. I will never let it happen. Not after what I've been through. I will not let my suffer be in vain. I will fight for it. Even if it's going to cost lives.
My heart is broken. My world is falling apart, falling apart, falling apart. Pain and sorrow, pain has taken over me. Pain and sorrow, cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow has taken over me. Cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow has taken over me.
So what happened?
John, Tasha has been the one giving me all the money I have been spending. They all belong to her sister Mercy, including the house, the cars, and everything.
Yes, I knew about that. So,
The issue now is that Mercy is back, asking Tasha to give her all her money. All the money she was sending while she was still in abroad.
What?
That was the problem.
But these are the luxury that you've been riding on. So, what are you going to do now?
You don't need to ask me that questions, my brother, because I am not going back to hardship. Omame, do you understand? I have tasted riches, and I must say it is sweet to have money. My brother, ego, demma, money is good. So you don't need to even go there. Don't ask me that question.
But one has na come on eli katakosi. Come and kill behembo. Mulon.
Bam.
Now what for you? But you know this. What has Sasha said?
I don't think she has a choice. We are married. She happens to be my wife. So whatever I tell her as her husband, that is exactly what she's going to do.
She's wise. But meanwhile, if I may suggest something, I don't know how you're going to say it. But meanwhile, I want to suggest, why don't you and Tasha disappear?
Huh?
Yes, travel out of this country. Go anywhere. Or rather go to any place where this girl...
So this is where you are. This is where you are. You useless kangaroo. Good for nothing idiot. Go digger. This is where you are.
Mercy, what is it now?
Mercy, what is it? Riffraff. Diseased frog. You look like a cricket that's been sent away from Saturn, from planet of Saturn.
What's not getting?
Idiotic human being with 1,000 fathers.
What?
Human being are talking, you also talk. Keeping eyes like a diseased alien, idiot. What guy, where's my money? I didn't come here to buy wet with you.
Did you?
This idiot, you are drinking. You don't know where the money they brought the drink from is coming from. Do you know where this drink, the money they used to buy it, do you know where the money is coming from? Unala.
Did you give me money to keep for you? Go and ask your sister Tasha. Stop harassing me in this village.
Oh, now is that my sister? Now is my sister Tasha. It's no longer your honey pie, your sugar pie. Okay, it's now Tasha, my sister. You must really think I came here to battle wash with you. You think this is a joke, right? Spending my money on this useless trip. Are you mad? Are you crazy? Idiot! I'm talking, you're drinking anything for me. You want that? Where is that idiot?
My world is falling apart, falling apart, falling apart. Pain and sorrow, pain and sorrow, pain and sorrow. Cry of a sister, who betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow, was taking over me. Cry of a sister, who betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow was taking over me. Cry of a sister, who betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow was taking over me.
Tasha! Tasha! Tasha!
I am in pain. I am in sorrow.
Tasha!
I want the bell. I put you to the
Mama, I said I will send you the money when I get to the city. I'll send you the money. I'll transfer it to your account.
What about Tasha? Is she not going with you?
She's going with me. I'll pick her on the way. Eh? I'll talk to you on the phone, Mama.
Okay, Ngwanu, safe journey. Welcome, Wayo. You go on now.
my own flesh and blood. You disappoint me, oh, my own sister. You have failed me. Opusonye ganga bakulun. Opusonye ganga maka. Opusonye ganga bakulun. Opusonye ganga maka. We never give you peace.
Hey.
I can never give you.
Now you.
Me?
Now you. Now you. What be you?
Me for what?
Are you not Emeka's friend? Are you not Emeka's friend?
I'm just.
And I ask you a question. Are you not Emeka's friend? By the play.
Sorry.
Are you not Emeka's friend?
Yes.
Where is Emeka?
I don't know.
You don't know. You don't know.
Sorry, please.
You don't provide Emeka. I will provide you in help.
No.
Where is Emeka?
It doesn't go into that now. Take it, please, easy. I'm not feeling fine, no.
He's not play with you.
Hey, Biko, sorry.
Where is he? He's with my sister. Where is Emeka?
I have not seen him.
Where is Emeka?
Biko, I can see you. It's you. Biko.
Oh, you see?
It's you.
You are seeing well now. You are seeing well.
Yeah,
No,
yes.
you're not Wamo. You are seeing it. I'm very pissed. You are seeing it, right?
It's you.
Where's the address? Where does Emeka stay in the city?
Please.
Stop! Where does he stay?
Hey, okay. Sorry, I will tell you. Please, I will tell you. I know. I will blow you now. Please, just take it easy. Please, I will tell you.
Sasha! Emeka! Sasha! 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 Come on, Sasha! 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 my sister is there. Tell Tasha that I am here for her. Bring out my sister, that daylight team of son, that useless son of yours. Bring them out.
Listen, what is your problem? Eh? Why are you looking for trouble where there is none? Eh, Ogini?
Mama, listen. I swear I am trying so hard to respect you. Because of your old age, I want to see Tasha and Emeka. Tasha! Tasha!
Mercy, you're looking for Tasha in my house. Is Tasha not your sister?
Mama, tell your son to bring out my sister. Tell your son to give me every single thing that he has taken from me. I need it now.
What did my son take from
you? A lot. He took my sister. Not just my sister, he took my sister's senses because my sister is no longer thinking very well. He took my properties, my money, my documents, everything I need it right now. Where is Emeka? Where is Tasha? Where are they?
Can you calm down? Listen. My son did not take anything from you. If anybody took something from you, then it is your sister. It's your sister, not my son. Getting in a medal like this. Anyway, newsflash. Emeka has come back to the city. So if you want to see them, go to the city and look for them because they don't live here. Here is my house.
Mama.
In Ania.
Mama, you are talking gibberish. Mama, if you're not rubbish. Arrant nonsense, Mama. I'm telling you the gospel truth. See, don't do that shit with me. Tell Tasha and Emeka to come outside here right now because I am not joking with them. Tell them I can see you're supporting you. You're an evil woman. Mama Emeka, you're an evil woman. But let me tell you something. If I do not get my money, I will pull down this house. I will pull down this house. Hey, Mama, tell them I'm not done. I am not done with them in this village. Tasha and Emeka, tell them I'm not done with you people. You, I got my eyes on you. Awake, you, Mama, if I don't put that this, I'm not going to be me. If I don't put that this, I'm not going to be me. After all my hustle, all my survival to buy a Canada, when did I even get my money? We are got secrets for this village. Rubbish!
I dare you to come and do whatever you think you can do. Look at her.
My world is falling apart, falling apart, falling apart. Pain and sorrow.
Oh God, I feel so useless. I feel so empty right now. It's as if I don't even exist. You know, what is use of life? I have lost everything. Everything is gone.
Listen, it's okay. You need to calm down, okay?
Okay, relax. You are the best sister anyone could ask for. You think so?
I know so.
Look, you are going to recover all your properties. I am very certain. You said you got their address from John, right? Yes. That's a good one. You will go to the city. Go there since that's where they are. They can't be eating your sweat. You go there and demand for your properties. They have to give them to you.
I am in pain. I am in sorrow. I want the bell. I'm not trying to do my own flesh and blood, you disappoint.
My dear, I have been in this town for some time now. Yet I do not know the crooks and the hooks of this town. I don't know how things, how you people do things in this town and all that. I've heard a whole lot about you. I've heard how you control all this harassment, how you tell them what to do, how to tell them to sit down and they do it. Please, my girl. I beg. Now hustle, I come hustle. I can't come out fatty from my family. Be this kind of thing I come to. I beg, help me.
Babes, it's not as difficult as you think.
Eh?
Yes.
It's difficult to die. People tell me say that you control those men. They say that you say if you tell me say me they stone, they go sit down. All these Arab men. They too get money, but they too stingy. The money no really come out like that too. If they come here and say you from Niger, forget them. I beg, I beg you, help me. I beg you.
It's fine. Can't you see me? Look at me now, babes. Look at me. This was not how I was when I came down here to Dubai.
You feel
Well, in everything, I give God the glory. The way to success is sometimes narrow. Yeah.
Sister, I beg. Don't be this kind one. Which one be say those Arabian men? The person say me they can't shop that shit. You dey shop them too?
No, I don't do that.
You had a Maggie, I've been a sort before you chop them.
I don't.
Me, I no fit chop them. Hey, I no fit chop them. How person go take the shit I go to chop them?
I don't do that. I only sell my body for money. You have to do it to get your money. Yes. You have to do it to get your money. If not, you will go back to Nigeria broke. Like, you will go back to Nigeria very broke.
I don't want to go back.
So you have to do it to get your money.
So you do shop shit too?
No.
You dey put a Maggie, I be sort of fight chop them. You just chop and run.
No, I don't do that one.
Hey!
I don't do that one. I only sell my body for money. So, as you will sell your body for money. So you make it, then go back to Nigeria and live a luxurious lifestyle. Don't you want to live a luxurious life? So you have to go make your money and go back to Nigeria. So how do you say it? Think about it though. Tasha. What happened to your face?
It's all too bad. It's those guys at the club.
But I warned you. I warned you never to steal. But you didn't listen. Those boys are so toxic.
Yes, but I had to make use of the only opportunity I saw.
Oh, God. Sorry.
Sorry. My heart is broken. My world is falling apart, falling apart, falling apart. Pain and sorrow, pain and sorrow, pain and sorrow. Cry of a sister who betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow has taken over me. Cry of a sister who betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow has taken over me. Cry of a sister who betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow has taken over me. Cry of a sister who betrayed my trust. I am in pain.
Mama, it's okay. Can you please listen to me, Mama? Yes, just listen to me, okay? I don't like it when you sound this way. Okay, listen. Mercy will never find out where I stay in the city. Yes. Before then, Tasha and I must have traveled out. So you don't have to worry yourself about anything. Nobody knows. It's alright. I'll talk to you some other time, okay? Just relax your mind. Maka, high blood pressure. My darling.
Was that Mama?
Yes. That was Mama. Who else, if not Mercy? She called to tell me Mercy has left the village.
What if she finds us?
Hey, come on, babe. She will never find out where we stay.
Besides, we are traveling out of the country soon, so you don't have to worry about anything. She has left the village. To where? I don't know, and I don't care. Because here, she will never know.
I will fight you. I will fight you. I can never let you go. I will fight you.
You want some?
I will never give you peace.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning. What is it?
Okay, there is one lady at the gate. She has been there since.
Who is she?
I don't know. I told her to leave. She refused.
Are you sure she's not a mad woman?
Okay. No, she doesn't look mad.
Open the gate.
How did you get this address?
Oh, you want to know how I got to this address?
Yes, how did
you
you
want
get
to know? I'm coming back for you. Now get my luggage!
Hey, you go! Hey, bring!
Where is my money? Sister, where is my money? Let me have my money. My money! My properties! My cars! Everything I want it right now!
I used to have
Where is it?
Just take it.
Let me have my money. Where is my car? The properties, the house, the money, all the pounds and dollars I sent to your dumb account. Where are they? Where the hell is my house? I'm not joking with you, dummy. But you're having confusion now. Trust me, honey, this time around you're going to have a cuckoo. A cuckoo is going to do you this time around. Where in the hell is my money? Where is my money? You're looking at your damn husband. Are you stupid? This is no time for your love bet. Where is my money?
Our house.
This is my house. Where's my car? My cars. I gave you money for 3 cars. Apart from the one that is supposed to be on the way by now, right? Making it 4. Where are the cars? The money, the documents.
They're still shipping it.
Oh, still shipping it. Is this my car? Is this my car? The cars! Where is the cars? I gave you money for 3 cars. Plus the extra we're making it 4. Why are you showing me one?
They've not shipped it.
No, they've not shipped it. So you're going to ship it from heaven. And Jamaica will be the one to bring it out from the container. Alright? Give me my luggage. Listen, both of you, you've not seen the last of me. And I'm going to start with this house. And this car. This house will pin my money, my car, my properties, everything. I want them now. Give me my luggage. Bastardo.
My world is falling apart.
Okay, so where do we go from here now?
I should be asking you that question. Listen, I am not going back to the village as a poor man. It is all your fault.
How is it my fault? Please don't blame me. I mean, how is it my fault?
You blew it all. Why did you tell her this is her house? You should have told her something else.
You shouldn't have insisted on going to the village. If you hadn't gone to the village, there's no way she would have found out our location.
How would I have known? It was a trick. We both went to the village. We both fell for it.
Emeka, please. Can we not just talk about this irrelevant talks? Let's think about the way forward. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Who is there?
Sorrow has taken over me. Cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. I am in pain.
Oh, will you get your slimy self off my seat, you carcass from the pit of hell? And you sick in the head? And you listen to me, you won't. You have on and before tomorrow morning, first thing in the morning, to vacate from this building. If you should be found in this building after tomorrow morning, whatever you see, you take honey. And hey, that reminds me, make sure you do not go without your jokey-pokey attitude. Your chef, your gateman, your animals, your housewife, every single thing that is connected to you should vacate this building first thing in the morning. Am I understood? Now stink out. Get out! You're not even poor yet. You have to smell like a giggle. Get the hell out.
Honestly, Mama, I now live like a stranger in my own house. She's right here. Oh, okay, Mama. Thank you. All right.
Thank you.
Anna.
What did she say?
She'll be visiting Abalusia tomorrow.
Abalusia?
Yes.
That name sounds like a native doctor.
I guess so.
No, please. I do not want to get involved in this. No! This is my sister we're talking about. And by right, whatever my sister is requesting for are all hers. Yes. I don't want to do this. Please. I don't want to hurt my sister more than I have already hurt her. I don't want to. Please, let's weigh other options.
Hey.
We're not doing this. Please. She is my only sister.
Honey, this is the only way out.
No. There should be other subtle alternative.
There should be. Come up with an idea.
I can't come up with any now.
Which other option do you have?
This is certainly out of it. Please.
Change is constant. Be careful how you trust someone. Change is constant in life. Don't be surprised when someone you trust change. But I don't know how they feel when they hurt someone who truly care about them and sacrifice all for them. Oh, I don't know how they feel, but I don't know how they feel when they hurt someone who truly care about them and sacrifice all for them. Oh, I don't know how they feel. People we trust can one day change. Imana, people you trust can change one day. Heart of man is wicked. Person you help today can destroy you tomorrow. Heart of man is wicked. Person you help today can destroy you tomorrow. People you trust can one day change. People you give all your hope can one day disappoint you.
Namogini.
Mama, I'm not happy.
What is it? Eh? Ready for?
Mama, have I not been wasting my time in this village? At this age, there is nothing to show for it. See my mates in the city. Look at Chukwuebuka. Look at Ikenna. They all have mansions in the village. Cars parked everywhere. Look at me. Before I marry any man, Amanda Akanka, somebody will get old. And there is nothing to show for it, Mama. Eh? And you expect me to be happy? No, now.
Chukwemeka, this was the exact thing I told you. I said, go to the city and start a responsible life. He said, no. Now, you have to go to that city. Go to that city so that those people speaking ill of you will start speaking good of you. So that your mates will give you your respect. Eh? Go to that city and make it. Go, if not for anything, for the sake of this family.
Yes, Mama.
You have to go.
I will go.
And
I will go.
make it.
Yes, because I believe God in heaven will also answer your prayers while I am there in the city hustling. Mama, all you have to do for me by the time I get to the city is to pray. Pray in the morning, pray in the afternoon, pray in the evening, in the night. I believe God will answer your prayers because you're a good woman.
Yes, I will pray for you.
And by the time I make it, Mama, I promise I will come back to this village. You see all these small mansions they are building everywhere. I am going to demolish this house and build you a skyscraper. I'm telling you.
Shadow, wait. You see this house? I like it. Don't demolish it. I like it, yeah. If you want to build a mansion, buy your land. Buy land and build your mansion. I like it.
Mama,
I like
you like old things? I said I'm going to demolish this house and I'll build a skyscraper.
Don't demolish it. Leave skyscraper when him GM. Buy land and build your mansion.
Mama, you need to upgrade.
Don't worry, go to the city first.
Okay,
Get
Mama.
to the city first.
No problem, Mama. No problem.
You can happen you to I like it.
Mama's mansion or skyscraper, they are all the same. Okay, fine. I'll build you a mansion. Just that by the time I get to the city, make sure you pray. Pray in the morning, pray in the afternoon, pray in the night.
That is my name, prayer.
Pray, shake everywhere. Let the heavens, let everywhere release my blessing. Mama, please hurry up. The bus will leave soon. I need to start going before I miss that bus now. If I miss it, I'll get to where I'm going.
No fix.
John.
No fix.
John, what took you so long now? Where have you been?
I did with Abigail.
Hi! I talk am say no only woman fit make you come see your guy by this time. Say you go soon give that girl belle.
Obiakwa. Obiakwa. I beg, leave belle, leave Abigail and the belle. Waiting can they keep you? Why you still?
Nah, Mama.
She wants to give me the whole food stuff in this house.
When I get to Lagos now, she'll start calling me to send her money to buy food stuff. She don't know say she know the pocket.
But if you can't carry all the food stuff where they first give you, what thing she go come?
Till now she will begin to start calling me to
Who says I
send
will
her
call
money
you?
to buy food stuff.
Enna, who says I will call you to send money? See, my own is for you to go to that city and make it like your mates. Leave John and his useless friends alone. Biko.
Abba, Mama.
Abba, Mama, am I lying? See, you need to even go to that city so that you can be useful to yourself. Abba, Mama.
Mama, I go John. Let me start going.
Let me start going, Mama.
Manage it. Be yourself. Make it in that city. Make me proud. That city, you will make it.
You say, amen.
My prayer is going with you.
Amen, Mama. Mama, keep praying, let me start going.
Ngwanu.
Continue praying. Amen.
John,
Mama. Papa. Nọrọ na village na agbagharị. Tụbara ụmụ nwaanyị ime. Nwee ihe ọzọ ịma. Emi ngwanụ Ijeọma nwa m. So this man refused to settle you after all these years. Ah, he's a very wicked man. It is okay. It is not the end of the road. Oh?
You see?
It's okay.
That is why I decided to return to the village. Because even a shelter became a problem.
Aye.
Yes. Mama, I couldn't feed myself. Not even 1 square meal or quarter square meal in a day. And do you know what this man usually do? He will count bundle of money in my presence, gives to his wife and to his side chicks. And this man could not settle me after the whole services I rendered to him in his shop. After my apprenticeship for that man, nothing to show for it. You see that man, I got 1 week. It shall not be well with that man.
Amen.
He's a wicked man. Wickedness runs in his blood.
Yes. It is. Hey. It's It's okay. There's no problem. I have some money saved up all these years. Even the ones that we do in our monthly contribution. The one that when it gets to your turn, you will carry. I have it saved up. I will give you the money so that you go back and start a small business. No matter how small it is, but start something. Oh?
Mama, thank you so much. You see why I love you, Mama. After God, it is you. In fact, you are the God that I see. Thank you so much, Mama.
Now, if I don't do it for you, who will I do it for now?
Do I know?
You're my only blood now. Somewhere.
Man, thank you so much.
It's all right.
You see that man, he's a wicked man.
Very wicked.
That man will die. In fact, bad people, evil people, wicked people, they will have to keep dying one by one. Let them keep dying and leave this earth.
I have seen you. I forgot go, but I go on and stop hiding like a chicken. Eba coco. Ezo's no one ya for forget.
Madam, make a 2 pure water, cold one so 2 sachets.
Madam, leave the one I beg.
1.5.
Why you can't hide now? Good name, man.
Who tells you how they hide? I go collect water where I go drink. Hide from who?
And then I work for you. Me and you know that if I hadn't seen you here now, you wouldn't have told me that you're back. But I want to know Igbo 1 jeep, but now maybe preparing to erect 1 mansion in this village. Blow off or water can but you would have come to me, tell me one now, but I will name me and announce now I go. Now what for you? Waiting they play.
Stop, Church. I was on my way to your house. I just went into that shop to get water to drink.
That's a lie. You just lied. If I hadn't seen you here now, you wouldn't have come to my house. Now what for you? Waiting that happen. Then, oh boy, now wow, one night you must share to do. This is no more the Amy I used to know. Pin up on all my bala. Now what for you? What's in the happen? Okay, but jail more now. Get me. You know make come again. What's it?
Guy. A long story.
Bonnie and Kenken.
My oga messed up. That man refused to settle me.
After all these years, man, that man is a very wicked. Some people could be so wicked though. Come on now, that's very bad. Life is not really treating you well. You're not looking good, man. Your skin, these are shiny skin. But don't so bad, bro. What if I
Not to worry. It's okay. Mama promised to give me her savings. Yes, the money she has been saving all this while. So that I will start up something doing, like a small shop, provisions and all that. When one door closes, another door opens.
Well, that's a good idea. Man, let me tell you, your mother is a very good woman. Only God knows how long she's been saving that little amount of money to keep it. As if she knew.
Okay, go Akawo. I'm
telling you the truth. At least you start off, just like you said. You must go, has their life and keep body and soul together. It's good. So you're back to this village now, like, to come and meet the Johnny. For you, so start from where we stop. Everybody's a buying Kusile. I ain't going to
one park, Abiko. So you have not changed. You better change. As it is now, I will have to change my direction because I see you are no mass. How much in your pocket?
Can you go to the
Ego Lake Ijinaba.
Narap go that one now. Don't worry.
Massa,
Okay, let's go and chill.
Massa.
Now my guy is here.
Yeah,
How for you?
Madam,
Madam,
leave the pure water, they come back, eh?
Give me you, my boss. One.
My dear, I am telling you. You know what to say. You can never reap where you did not sow. Sisterhood, my foot. Oh, please. Those, I flinged them off my house. Yes, so you know your girlfriend. I'm allergic to bullshit. Yes? Since she said that she cannot leave this, she cannot leave her part of life on earth without Emeka, then let her wallow in death with Emeka. Yes. Let her die there. Let her die on top of Emeka. What nonsense? I suffered, made all the money, gave this girl. Let her go and suffer in the street. Yes. What sister are you talking about? Norma, I have to call you back, please. There's someone at the door. Yes, I'll call you back. Yes, who is there? Yes.
Abalusia ngene. Wokike. Hey! Inside. Come here.
No can understand wetin dey happen for this house again since that woman enter here.
Messi Abi?
Eh? They call her Messi, just like that.
Wetin I wan call am before? Her name no be Messi. Na Messi now.
Na trouble dey put yourself like this. If that woman here say you call her Messi, you know add madam. Na sack she go sack you.
Sack fire. Na so they take sack person. Na she employ me. Abeg, talk better thing.
Abeg, my hand no full. Make I go bring your food come.
Like say na better thing she won't carry come. You go just see now she go carry small food come. Eh? See they even happen. See this woman enter this house. I know they even pick up well. I don't machine. See my shirt, everything. See I don't machine finish. See my belly with the big. Now I don't flat like lizard. I bet carry that food come.
Where is it, oh? Eh? Mason! Please bring this food. What took you so long?
Sorry, ma, I was trying to dish it out.
Oh yeah, come and serve it. Come and serve the water. You're waiting for me to remind you. Chako Maka.
My world is falling apart, falling apart, falling.
What are you still waiting for? Hey, come back here. So what are you going to cook in the night?
Spaghetti bolognese.
Don't give me anything gas from. Please, I don't want to sleep in the toilet. And I'm here. Cook okra soup for me. That's what I want to eat. Eh? And get out and bring rag. And come and clean this table. Yeah.
It worked. Just like that.
Before,
look at Mercy the tigress. She's now doing yes ma'am, yes ma'am. Soon, she will be doing yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
One option. See, this house is your house. You and your wife. Enjoy your house. It's yours. If you mess it, you don't know yes sir, yes ma'am. Tasha, you know rice. The rice start on. Come and join me. The trust of my leg. I give you my word. It has to work. What is that girl's name? Amaka! Amaka! Ma! Makara give you ever. Amaka.
Yes, ma'am.
You will go inside. Pack your bags and leave. We don't need your services anymore. Oh? We cannot have 2 cook and cleaners. So your services are no longer needed.
Ma, please, I'm sorry if I have wronged in any way. Please, ma, forgive me.
No, I didn't say you wronged me. I said your services are not needed anymore. We will compensate you.
Please, ma, if I have wronged in any way, please, ma, forgive me. I'm sorry, ma.
Amaka, did I say you wronged me?
No.
Don't worry, we will compensate you. See, I will give you money, you will start your own business. Or don't you want to do business?
I want to do business.
I will come and give you money, you will start doing business. So just go and pack your things. When I finish eating and come out, I will settle you so you can go. Oh?
Thank you very much, ma. Ma, thank you.
Only.
Thank you, ma.
Pasha, this rice is very sweet too. And it's nutritious because it's vegetable. You love it. Come and eat. Oh? Come and join me. Do you want to eat?
Mama, eat.
Hey.
Mercy. 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 Will it take you forever to answer your name?
No, sorry, sir.
Huh?
I was washing at the backyard.
You were washing what? For how many hours? Now you listen to me. The next time you take time to answer your name, I will burn you alive and feed your carcass to the canker worms. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Nonsense.
Sorry, sir.
Next time when I call you, before I say me, you say what? Sir.
Sir.
Me?
Sir.
Me?
Sir.
Rubbish. Now I want you to wash this car properly. Are you mad? Are you the one to tell me what is neat or not?
No, sir.
I said wash this car properly. What did I say?
Wash the car properly.
Good. Now get out. Go get whatever you used to wash it properly. Come back here. Come back here. What did I tell you to do?
I should wash the car.
I should what?
Wash the car.
Good. Properly. Put properly.
Properly.
Good. Now you go get what you used to wash it. Come back here. I have not asked you to go yet. Turn around. Turn again. Keep turning. Keep turning. Turn. Turn. Okay, good. Now, about turn. Go and get the bucket you used to wash it.
Okay.
Hurry up!
Okay, sir.
Mama? The rice tastes nice.
Honestly. I hope you like it.
I like it. People should eat and enjoy. Don't mind those people that want to reap where they did not sow. Greedy people.
That's my mommy.
Mercy! I need service. Be fast about it, please. Sister Mercy!
Why are you coming close to me without a servant? Where is the napkin? Where is it?
Sister, please, I am very hungry. Can you help me with anything to eat? And there's no other reserve in the pot.
Oh my goodness. You're hungry. How is that my business? Why on earth would you even make me to stress while eating? Don't you know table manner? You're not supposed to talk while eating. Have you not traveled out? You should be civilized by now. Nah. Don't disturb me, Mr. Mercy. Oh! Can you just allow me eat? Pray there will be leftovers. And allow me eat. Because you cooked now, you will not even allow the food digest. Pray there is leftovers and then get me serve it. But I'm not sorry. This food you cook now, you're not even allow somebody to eat it and have peace. Tell me you're hungry.
My friend, hurry up.
This was very difficult. Very, very. Stop. See why we don't need it.
I'll pour you this drink.
See why I told you, you don't need to pay anybody. Again. She should be doing the cooking.
Job made easy. Yeah, I thought your sister can cook very well.
Mama?
Son, you're here.
Yes. How are you doing?
I'm okay.
Obviously, you are enjoying yourself.
Yes, so I'm in my son's house. So I have no option than to enjoy myself.
Good to know. Mama. You still haven't told me how you did it.
Did what?
Mercy now. How did you?
Oh, that.
Mama, do you know what you did? Like, you practically shot this girl up.
Okay, I will tell you.
You cannot kill her.
Why? Awalusia, why? This girl is taking away everything from my son. Please, Awalusia, we have to do something, Biko. Please.
The mystery behind the death is hidden. But we will do something. You have to be the one to do it.
Abalusia, I am ready to do anything just to make my son happy.
Are you sure?
Why am I here if I am not sure? I am ready.
She have a strong spirit, but we shall conquer her. Makani yade rioba. Follow me. Ikwi onebe na nkiti. Ikwi onebe na nkiti. Na si na John nunu nebe na abani igbo nnukwute amusu. Atu aja fu de di mani fe mere no bi ndi mo. Na anya fula ku de na fuga woro ndi mo.
So that was how it happened.
Agowai. Agowai. This was why my late father never joked with you.
Yes, ma'am. Son, you have to thank Ogamaka, my friend. She was the one that directed me to Abalosia Dikeh's place. That man is very powerful. Hey! Let me see how Mercy will rise up again and look for properties. Right now, she is under our palm. We can toss her like tonto. Toss her anyhow we like.
Mama, you have done well.
If I don't do it for you, who will?
I wonder. But still, I need to show some gratitude. Let me get in there and get my briefcase full of dollars. Bet you spray you some dollars.
Hey!
Huh?
Katabiche! Hey! Katabiche!
I am in pain. I am in sorrow.
Anya ma agugo kwa.
Please, give me food. I am very hungry. My eyes turning. Please.
Food, Ukwa? No be you dish food for me this morning. Why can't they ask me food? I no get food for here. You see am now? That time you dey do, you just say things no go turn around. You don't see am, things don't turn around now. You don't see am. Now you know they beg food. I no get food. Oh, unless you want this one. Man, I just want am for you now. You don't understand? You go enjoy am more. No put on am now. You no go come collect am.
I will fight you. I will fight you. I can never let you go. I will fight you. I will never give you peace.
Go die here.
My heart is broken. My world is falling apart, falling apart, falling apart. Pain and sorrow are taking over me. Pain and sorrow, cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow are taking over me. Cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow has taken over me. Cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow has taken over me. Cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. I am in pain. I am in sorrow. I want the bell. I'm a junugi. I in the well. I'm a junugi. My own flesh and blood, you disappoint me, oh. My own sister, you have failed me. Apusonye ganga makulunu, apusonye ganga maka, apusonye ganga makulunu, apusonye ganga maka. We never give you peace. I can never give you peace. I will fight you. I will fight you. I can never let you go. I will fight. We never give you peace.
I will miss you people too. Eh? But you see why I say give me a grandchild. If you give me a grandchild and I come for Mugo, I will stay for a very long time. So that when I leave, you will not miss me.
But Mama, you should be able to stay for a long time with or without grandchildren. I mean, this is your house.
I know, yes. But you see, as the deputy vice chairman of our village women's meeting, I have to be at the meeting. We have meeting next week. And someone important is coming. So I have to be there.
But
play
Mama,
my
you
part.
can delegate one of your friends, like Ogo Amaka, to represent you.
Not in this type of meeting, Nna. I have to be present. Onye na no ron kiefu. That's why I said, give me grandchildren so that they will be playing in this big compound.
Don't worry, Mama.
And keep you company.
I promise we are going to give it to you double.
Omakakwa like that. Lest I forget. About Mercy, your sister. Please, Emeka one big go. Nothing in this life will make you people send her out of this house. That was the instruction. You not send her out of this house. No matter what she does, she has to stay inside this house. Okay,
Mama.
So let me be going. Memo. Mama. Emi, take care of your wife.
I will. It's my duty.
Let me be going. I still need grandchildren, like I said.
Hi, cheer lady.
Let's go.
Go. Sister, I am calling. Can you just walk fast? Where in the name of God are you coming from? By this time.
I'm sorry, please. I went to beg for food.
You went to what? Why did you shut up? Oh my goodness. You went to beg for food. You know you are such an ingrate, Sister Mercy. So, this is how you want to paint us black. You know, you want to spoil our name. So when people see you outside begging for food and they'll be like, oh, Tasha is so wicked. Why didn't she give her elder sister food to eat? Is that how much you hate me? How much you hate my family? Our family?
Stop stressing yourself, okay?
Let this never repeat itself next time.
I was just...
Oh, just save it.
We stop defending yourself. Now go in there and clean the whole house. Most especially my room. Sweep and mop. Get out!
I said move!
Must you be lazy at everything? Oh, Sago, can we force? Sago kid de laka like this. Opposite appendix.
Hey, hurry up with the room. Clean the room first. That would be very important.
Go to the room already. Oh my goodness.
You sold all of them?
Yes.
Wow. But the money is not complete now.
Mama, no first so I carry 300 buy something make a chop.
You carry 300 out of my money to buy something make you chop.
Mama say so too much.
My money?
So too much. It too
well,
money.
There's no big talk inside. Wait till I forgive you for year, now 500. But as you don't chop 300 inside, take 200 naira, make you dey go. There's no need, just go here. Ma, you ate it, you that ate the money, just go leave my shop. Thank you.
This one no go fit do me even for transport.
My bucket, give me my bucket.
I beg now.
Give me.
200 naira will not be enough for me to even use and go back. No. Mama, beg no vex. I dey beg you, please. Na beg, I dey beg.
Go manage that way. You don't chop 300 naira. They go.
My world is falling apart. Pain and sorrow are taking over me. Pain and sorrow, cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow are taking over me. Cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow has taken over me. Cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow has taken over me. Cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow has taken over me. Cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. I am in pain.
What? Where? Oh my goodness.
Babe,
Hello?
what is it?
Oh my goodness.
Who called you?
Sister.
Who called you?
Someone just called. He said Mercy was hit down by a speeding car.
What? How? Where?
My sister.
Call the number back.
My sister is dead.
Jesus. Mercy, dead. Call the number back. Call the number back. Let's find out the location. Tasha. Dial the number. Open your phone. Babe, come. Come. Call this number back. Let's know the location.
I killed my sister because of my greed. I neglected my sister. Treated her with so much bitterness and hatred. I let my marriage take the best part of me. Now, how am I going to apologize to my sister? How do I let her know or see how sorry that I am? I killed my sister. I killed my sister. How can I be so mean? I killed my sister. I feel so terrible. I caused all this. I caused all this.
Listen, we should be grateful to the universe for taking Mercy out of the way. Stop crying. You did not kill her. Nature did. It's okay. It's alright.
Oh, God, I killed my sister. I killed my sister. I am so sorry.
Stop
Sister Mercy, I am so sorry.
Stop it.
Emeka, leave me alone.
Hey. We're in it together, okay? It's alright. It's okay. It's okay. Okay.
Sister Mercy, please. Please. Wherever you are, I am sorry. I am so sorry, Sister Mercy. I am so sorry.
My own flesh and blood, you disappoint me, oh, my own sister.
What is it? What is it? What is it? Babe, what is it? What is it? What's the problem? Why are you screaming? So, sit down. I'm here. You saw what? Huh? Babe, you saw what? You're beginning to. What is it?
I will fight you. I can never let you go. I will fight you. I will never give you peace. I will fight you.
Please, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry, please, ah!
So you have the mind to kill my only son. Oh, you were never happy with him? No. Because he took your sister's property?
No, Mama. Please, I beg you. I did not kill him. I love him so much. I can never think of something like that, Mama. Please. The properties I took from my sister, I shared with your son. I shared everything with you people.
Just leave here. I don't want to beat you.
Mama.
I don't want to have any blood on my hands. Leave here.
Good. What are we still waiting for? Let's throw her out once and for all.
Donatus! Donatus, come here. Throw this thing outside.
This person?
Yes. I don't want to see anything that looks like her around here. Oh yeah, out. Now she get her. Carry her. Out. Get out of here. Mama, I'm not your mother. I'm not your mother. Donatus, throw her out. Mama, yeah. Donatus, take her.
I go carry you. I go take you.
Mama,
throw her out.
Mama, please. This is my sister's house. Mama, people. Mama,
are you still there? Are you still there?
See, if I press up, if I do press up, finish. Person
don't
die.
Make me come close to you. I don't want to be like that. So it's better.
I go carry you. I go carry you.
Get out! I will send your remaining things. Don't worry. I will go that way.
You don't come on.
Let me come and see who will come and drag this house with me. Now I am rich. I will enjoy the splendor and opulence of this house.
I'm very happy for you.
Okay?
I'll come back again.
You want this one? I'm a rich woman now.
Yes!
Are you a friend of a rich woman?
No.
Friend.
Again, what is it?
What is it? Hey! What is it? Huh? What is it? Time. Time, Ego.
I said time.
Ego, the time. Time.
What do you mean by time?
Time.
What is happening?
Time.
Ego.
My world is falling apart, falling apart.
I beg you, forgive me. Sister, Sister, please forgive me. Forgive me. Sister, please, I beg you, forgive me. I beg you, forgive me,
I am in sorrow. I want the bell. I'm a junior. I in the world. I'm a junior. Disappoint me, oh, my own sister. You have failed me. Apusonye kanga makulunu. Apusonye kanga maka. Apusonye kanga makulunu. Apusonye kanga maka. We never give you peace. I can never give you peace. I will fight you. I will fight you. I can never let you go. I we fight you. We never give you peace. Fight.